Yuk, let's go. Oke. Ayo, berarti kita upload thumbnail. Nah, ini dia thumbnailnya. Select. Dah. Save. Belum ada thumbnail ya? Oh, udah ada. Oke. Gas, sabar ya. Belum ada thumbnail ya? Oh, udah ada. Oke. Gas, sabar ya. Mari kita gas. Footballing. Mari. Mari kita gas. Aduh, kembali bermain football. Kemarin tuh di football berapa jam sih? Saya live. Oke, kita lihat 2,5 jam. Oke, 87 viewsnya lumayan. Yuk, gas. Berarti kita di divisi 5. Kita gas. Oh ya, tadi saya sempat mainin. Apa kemarin nih ya? Ini kemarin nih. Kemarin kita sampai divisi 5 kan. Sekarang kita gas lagi. OTW divisi 4. Katanya kalau udah divisi 1, Pak, katanya kalau udah divisi 1 udah ada rating. Katanya seperti itu. Katanya. Udah mulai dihitung pakai rating. Dan orang ratingnya udah pada 2000-an loh. Ternyata banyak juga ternyata. 0, sekian persen ternyata banyak juga. Ah, ketemu. Aduh, Shinji siapa, Park Jisung ya? Apa namanya profilnya? Park Jisung, powernya 2400 tadi kalau nggak salah. Waduh, MU banget nih lawannya nih. Fans MU banget nih kayaknya nih lawannya nih. Mings. Oh, dia juga pakai Mings sih. Oke. Langsung gas aja. Oke, lagi loading. Kok tumben ya? Lama. Ini dia.
Please take this opportunity to pay a visit to our official store where memorabilia from today's match are now available.
Oke. Pak, saya bentar ya, Pak. Izin kamar mandi, Pak. Bentar, Pak. Bentar, Pak. Bentar. Izin kamar mandi. Halo, Ren. Sabar, Pak. Saya ke kamar mandi dulu. Yuk, gas. Aduh. Airnya tidak keluar-keluar. Ya, kita gas. Semoga hari ini dibuka dengan kemenangan yang manis. Asik, kemenangan yang manis.
Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening.
Ini dia, Emirates Stadium. Kembali lagi ke sini kita.
Lagi kita main home. A beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport around here. Not the kindest.
Ini.
But regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and the decibel levels are rising.
Tidak ada yang ngeselin ya.
The Emirates Stadium in all its glorious modernity, this symbol of new Arsenal, the Arsenal of the 21st century.
Bagus. Inzaghi, come on. Crossing.
And already we're underway
Neymar.
Here. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Meret siapa itu, Pak? Meret. Meret Taha. Calhanoglu. Otavio. Otavio dipasang di sayap kiri Forlan.
I'd say watch out for him.
Oh.
To disagree with that, it is the sort of situation he thrives in.
Ini orang divisi 5 tuh udah keras-keras banget, Pak. Offside, jelas.
Inzaghi gets flagged offside.
Jelas banget offside. Ayo, come on. Baru menit 7. Upamecano, akankah jauh dia? Tidak, pendek saja. Jordan Henderson, Calhanoglu, Son Heung-min. Pelanggaran. Son Heung, kenapa Son mukanya kayak gitu ya? Sumpah, Pak. Son langsung syuting nih kayaknya dia. Tidak, pendek saja dia. Calhanoglu. Forlan. Hampir aja. Nice try. Kenapa dia nggak langsung shooting ya? Padahal enak juga tuh angle-nya. Ya, tipu-tipu dulu. Roberto Carlos. Aduh, kok nge-lag gini, Pak. Wirtz. Oh, langsung ke Inzaghi. Bagus. Ya, come on.
Even some of the opposing fans are clapping there.
Filippo
You just have to
Inzaghi.
appreciate it. You know, I'm not going to be hard on the goalkeeper because that moved all over the place on its journey.
Bagus loh itu, umpannya siapa tadi?
I doubt very much that this was in the script.
Langsung attacking dia. Padahal baru ketinggalan 1-0. Son Heung-min. Iya, bagus sekali.
Goes down,
Si pemain Jepang.
Wirtz.
Ayo dong.
Now it's Inzaghi. Good defending there. They've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. Well, that is one way to stop him. Oh, he's caught him there. It's a free kick. And he has shown him a yellow card. And it's Henderson. Now it's Forlan. It's Forlan! Keeper pulls up a fine save. Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping. Oh, nicely intercepted.
Nggak dapat. Kirain dapat itu.
And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside.
Bagus banget ya.
He's forced to go back. Wirtz.
Itu loh.
Filippo Inzaghi.
Neymar kosong banget padahal. Baru nge-lag.
Calhanoglu. And the counter is on. And here's Son Heung-min. That's been cut out. Well played. Is there any support? He might not need it. Referee has just said play on. Partey. And now the breakaway. That's fierce.
Ya.
Ball into space. Oh, well played. He got back really well.
Jelek lagi begitu banget dah.
Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
He's dealt with that very well, Peter. It's a real show of discipline.
Bagus. Ayo. Otavio. Tak atik bola.
Otavio. It's Son Heung-min. That was good pressing, forced the error to put an end to it before things could get even more threatening. Oh, he's picked out the runner. Well read, nice interception.
Fokus
And
banget nih,
it's
Pak.
Neymar. Looking to break out here. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but the pass
jangan
lacked
like
authority,
gitu.
a cause of mild frustration.
Terus Tomiyasu. Allah.
Well cut out, no margin for error there at all. Arsenal with a chance to counter-attack now. Here's the through ball. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
Terobosannya susah kali. Ini nge-lag pula.
Son Heung-min. And here's
Banget Pak ini, Pak.
Son Heung-min! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Beckenbauer played out wide into space. Chance to break. Now it's Inzaghi. He's managed to pinch it off him.
Otavio ternyata.
There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Winning running on one side, dogged defence on the other.
Beckenbauer.
That's been intercepted. So what? And it's Forlan. Fiddles it through. He's played him through here.
Bagus. No. Untung aja. Aman Pak, aman Pak. Astagfirullahaladzim. Oke. Yuk. Gara-gara ngelek. Ngelek gitu tuh. Langsung long ball. Ada Son Heung-min tadi maksudnya. Dikit ngelek, dikit delay. Bagus banget tadi padahal. Forlan. Calhanoglu. Untung bagus banget itu Tomiyasu. Oke. So far so good. Kayaknya kita harus main attacking deh. Kalau nggak gini, kayaknya kita nggak keluar Pak dari tekanan. Ya, offside. Bagus. Ayo, come on.
De Jong.
Frankie De Jong.
Neymar.
Ya, Inzaghi kon. Telat ininya, telat syutingnya. Bagus banget Roberto Carlos, gila. Ya, Carlos. Flashing Carlos. Inzaghi. Astaga, apa itu, Cok? Astaga, apa itu? Apa itu barusan? Bisa kayak gitu refleksnya. Gila. Meret nih, kiper mana, Pak? Wah, dia benar-benar attacking banget, Pak, ini, Pak. Untung aja. Lah, susah banget. Dia tadi lagi anyap aja sih, Pak, nggak masukin bola. Padahal ruang terbuka udah banyak banget dari tadi. Ada 2-3 peluang besar mungkin dia. Ayolah, jangan kayak gini. Aduh, menyusahkan orang aja loh. Nice.
So Jim, is that the manager
Roberto Carlos, come
telling
on.
the forwards that they must stay forward
Yeah.
for now?
Well, I think he just is
Neymar.
concentrating on the shape here, and he wants them to press as high as they can
Yes,
and get
bagus.
in the right position
Otavio.
to do that collectively.
Maju Otavio, come on.
He's left his man.
Cutback.
Can he finish?
Astaga, itu Maret.
That was no routine
Apa itu
save.
The
barusan?
keeper
Maret.
really dug out his defence then. A
Astaga.
magnificent effort.
Kok iso kayak gitu, astagfirullah. Set piece strategi kita pakai train. Sudah.
Defending of the desperate variety.
Bagus. Mings. Thomas Partey, pelanggaran? Ah, tidak.
And now they can spring out of
Oke, back
defence.
kita bolong satu sih. Back kita bolong satu. Thomas Partey juga masih
Nicked away from him.
di atas. Belum turun dia. Nice. Nice one. Nice. Frankie de Jong.
Partey.
Ah, offside, Pak.
I think
Iya
that's
kan, offside.
Yes, it is.
Dia main trap offside juga ya. Pinter juga nih orang. 50-50, 50-50. Ya, bagus. Nah, Florian Wirtz. Angkat bola, Florian. Come on. Come on. Aduh, Meret. Bener-bener ya si Meret ya. Corona. Calhanoglu.
Here's Forlan. Yeah,
Ah,
that does look a
pelanggaran
foul.
mulu, wasit.
Referee's given a free kick.
Ayo Lasit. Aduh, enggak kartu merah kan, dia udah kartu kuning nih. Si orang Jepang ini. Kayaknya enggak. Harusnya sih enggak, iya enggak. Masih di lapangan dia. Lah, ngapain itu?
Oh, this is a great position. Has a goal.
Ah,
It's a goal. That is just remarkable. The
Ya,
amount
begitulah.
of bend he got on that.
Oh,
Son
that's a
Heung-min.
measured delight. The curl he applied was immaculate.
itu dia kepencet tuh Pak tadi Pak kayaknya. Pencet silang kayaknya dia
Manchester
itu.
United grab the equaliser and we're all square.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence before a ball
Florian,
was kicked,
come on.
and I still haven't
Ah,
moved.
bagus banget dia.
Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been
Astaga.
given.
Ah,
And the
kartu
referee
kuning
has shown
lagi,
him a
gila.
yellow card.
Wagner. Kayaknya kita ganti si Wirtz deh. Wirtz kita ganti deh. Masuk si ini. Masuk si Brahim Diaz. Masuk Brahim Diaz. Let's go. Dah. Let's go. Inzaghi belum ada gantinya, yang lain-lain belum ada gantinya. Oke, yuk. Gas.
We have got changes here from both sides, in fact.
Number 27. Coming on to
Set.
replace him is
Ayo tangkap Oliver kan. Nice.
Khan catches it safely.
substitution.
Kok ke situ bukan ke yang dekat.
Son
Kenapa ke
Heung-min.
Roberto Carlos?
Muller.
Gini tuh. Tuh lihat tuh. Kelakuan tuh.
Oh, terrific save from the
Tuh,
keeper.
dia.
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper
Kenapa nggak yang
just
dekat
received
ini Pak,
an
orang
A+
Jepang
grade.
ini, Morsige. Entah siapa namanya. Yang depannya M aja. Oke, Adama.
And it's been
Short
taken
corner, lihat.
short.
Betul, Adama
Adama
Traore.
Traore.
Nelson Semedo.
Nelson Semedo. And that interception was most necessary. And they
Ih, ayo
can
dong.
counter here.
Ih, nggak mau umpan. Ngelek. Ah, harus banget
It's
Pak.
Aubameyang.
Ngelek kayak
Well
gini ah.
seen. Saw that coming. Oh, it's come
Astaga.
loose.
Astaga.
He is through here.
Hmm.
Now it's Muller. It's Muller.
Lu ngelek
Oh,
banget.
should have put that away.
Sumpah.
Well, maybe the tension around this game played a part.
Ayo, Roberto
because he
Carlos.
should have put them ahead there.
Langsung Neymar.
Now it's Brahim Diaz.
Oh, Brahim Diaz ini.
Oh,
Ini
good
Neymar.
read.
Ya.
Now it's Neymar.
Astaga, terlalu lama.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is
Oh,
the
jangan
commitment. This
dilepas,
game
jangan
could
lepas.
yet yield a winner.
Masuk dia, Adama Traore.
Oh, shooting chance.
Well, they
Sumpah,
deserve
kita diserang
an
mulu,
awful
Pak.
lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal
Tuh
credit
Neymar.
that would be
Yes.
most welcome now.
Come on.
Neymar.
Alah. Tendangannya ke tengah.
Somehow he managed to miss it.
Langsung ke depan Meret. Ada Thomas Partey, bagus Thomas Partey.
Partey. And that
Loh, kok
interception
situ?
was most necessary.
Bahaya udah. Bahaya
Well,
ini
both
udah lihat tuh.
sides might have to
Lihat.
settle for a
Thomas
draw
Muller.
here,
Muller.
although there's still a chance
Bagus
for
orang Jepang.
one last fling.
Roberto Carlos dengan sisa-sisa tenaganya itu kenapa
Ball is
lagi
over the
begitu?
line.
Neymar Junior tidak ada tenaga lagi dia.
Inzaghi is flagged offside.
Offside, astaga, dari tadi offside udah berapa kali pak? Offside, udah berapa kali offside? Kita attack aja lah, udahlah, gas. Udah menit segini juga.
Çalhanoğlu just eases him off the ball.
Duh, ngelag banget pak, sumpah.
And here's Son Heung-min.
Bagus, come on. Ih, kok dapat aja dia loh.
It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Neymar, now the counter.
Mon, belum berakhir. Ayo.
Intercepted and that will come to nothing. Shifted upfield.
Astaga. Mati udah mati. Udah lihat.
He's had a hit.
Untung aja tiang. Defend.
He's got away. Up to meet it. So nearly the
Bagus.
total turnaround. They simply ran out of time.
Apa Sri? Gila. Di ini 7 hari 7 malam diserang 7 hari 7 malam. Ya udah, kita gas lagi. Aduh, promosi 13 poin pak, berat banget pak. Malah main ngelek-ngelek kayak gini. Aduh. If you think that is taking so long, no limit search area. Oh, tuh itu 0,2% itu banyak banget loh ternyata. Player pass yang udah mencapai apa namanya di ini Division 1 tuh gimana orang mainnya pak? Lancar jaya kali ya mainnya ya? Kenapa saya ngelek main? Ayo match kedua kita menang. Tadi match pertama seri, match kedua menang 3 poin. 3 poin jadi 8. Lu Fortnite update mulu gila. Aduh. Home away dah aman berarti. Kok ininya nggak dingin ya? Game plan. Langsung aja. Kita lihat musuhnya. Play style. Oh, ini ada begini-begini. Aduh. Jadi kita harus upgrade deh. Lawannya. Kita lihat lawannya. Astaga. Apa ini? Cok. Astagfirullah. 4-2-4. Luis Enrique. Timo Werner, Mertens, Romario, Rafa Silva, Oxlade-Chamberlain, Roberto Carlos, Kim Min-jae siapa lagi? Bayindir siapa lagi itu? Tim playstyle levelnya dia 100 loh. Bahaya nih. Dia main apa? Position. Saya mainnya quick counter. biar cepet. Krunic, Brahim Diaz, Roberto Lacerda. Starting line up: Dodo Pulgar, Rafa Silva. Alhamdulillah.
Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening. A night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really are something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport around here, not the kindest.
Halo, agak nge-lag kah?
There is a sense of theater and the decibel.
Tuh kenapa si Neymar jatuh ya? Halo. Nge-lag lagi. Hari-hari nge-lag, hari-hari nge-lag. Nah, ini harusnya aman nih. Bismillah, aman. Nah, ini aman nih.
And already we're underway here. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Yeah, I think we can expect to see more than a few moments of individual brilliance.
Tidak bisa kayak gitu, Kakak.
Peter, he's got such a silky touch. He can ghost past defenders and he can pass and shoot with the very best.
Apa itu umpan apa barusan itu tadi dia? Neymar, come on, Thomas Partey. Hari-hari nge-lag, hari-hari nge-lag.
And that interception was most necessary.
Florian Wirtz. Balikan ke tengah, ada Thomas Partey. Neymar, come on Neymar. Shoot, yes. Let's go, Neymar Junior.
He can talk the talk and walk the walk. Fabulous.
And he stuck it away as if laser guided.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things. Just put your foot through.
That
was a good example. Great contact.
Nice.
The keeper had very little chance.
Neymar, come on Neymar. Ke tengah, ada Filippo Inzaghi. Ya, Otavio, come on.
Promising cross.
Allah.
Disappointment to some, unsurprisingly, and
Ya,
disgust to others.
Roberto Carlos.
What a waste.
Sedikit mengecewakan. Itu sayapnya kosong, iya kan? Roberto Carlosnya masih naik, belum turun. Ya, Morishige mantap. Baru dipuji Anda. Langsung blunder kayak gitu. Buang. Nah. Roberto Carlos. Apa itu? Untung aja. Ya ampun, nge-lag banget, Pak. Rada delay gitu loh. Antara nendang sama mencet sama nendangnya gitu. Adama, yes, bagus. Gila. Ini orang high press banget, Pak. Loh. Yes, come on. Astaga, ayolah. Masa umpan sepertiga pertahanan lawan aja nggak bisa loh, nggak nyampe umpannya. Ronaldinho pula sih. Kok dia punya Ronaldinho sih? Astaga, ayo. Buset deh.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides and with such great individual talent on show.
Kok offside?
Neymar gets flagged offside.
Kim Min-jae. Jene.
Fits. Now it's Inzaghi.
Otavio, come on. Ih, nge-lag banget, Pak. Lu lihat tuh. Astaga.
And here's the chance to counter.
Oke.
Accuracy on that pass.
Ayo, umpan yang bener dong. Nggak di umpan-umpan sama dia. Mencetnya mah udah dari kapan tahu. Kagak ketendang-tendang bolanya, lihatlah.
Trying to find some space for the shot here. Well, he had a really good run at goal there, but the defence just weren't going to let him past. Now it's Otavio.
Ya, come on, come on.
Arsenal upping the intensity here.
Romario. Itu back kemana? Halo. Astaga.
And they're hunting in packs to do just that.
Good to watch.
It really is. It's rugged and robust, but it still needs plenty of intelligence and teamwork.
Gila, dari tadi hampir kepotong mulu sama dia.
Now it's Inzaghi. Now it's
Florian Wirtz, come on. Florian, ayolah.
Partey.
Neymar.
And here's Neymar.
Inzaghi, ayo shooting.
Real chance.
Lama banget syutingnya, Pak, sumpah.
Has done it. And they
Nge-lag
get
itu dalam keadaan nge-lag loh itu. Sumpah, dari dalam
just
keadaan nge-lag
so
gitu.
calm under pressure.
Nggak bohong
And he
aku.
managed to
Delay
fashion
banget
a fine
mainnya.
finish.
Filippo Inzaghi demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot
Ayo,
away.
ayo.
I think it's
Oke,
just
untung
top
aja.
play.
Bener-bener loh. Gregetan. Udah, gol lagi ini mah. Kan? Astaga. Ini nge-lag banget, Pak. Sumpah.
Yeah, since going a goal down, they've dug in to produce a really fine spell, which for me deserved that equalizer.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Ya Allah.
Really outwitted one-on-one.
Lihat ngapain dia dari tadi? Coba. Astaga.
Yeah, he always had the measure of the keeper, and there was very little doubt as to how this was going to end up.
Number 10.
This is
Nice
quite a
goal.
battle.
Well, I think the players will be buoyed by the fact that they've managed to level things in a hurry. Tails most definitely up now.
It's a pretty
There will
loose
be 1
pass.
minute added time.
Otavio.
Astagfirullah. Come on lah, ayolah.
Played out wide into
Dapat.
space. And that'll be the final action of the
Sabar,
first
sabar, sabar, sabar.
Arsenal
Sabar,
playing their part in a
sabar.
real slugfest here.
Harus banyak-banyak
Lots of
sabar
goals
pemain
and
game ini,
nothing to
sumpah.
suggest much is gonna change.
Antara nge-lag atau enggak lawannya jago.
Either side holding back here. It has been quite a half this.
Ini lawannya jago, nge-lag pula.
Split
Ya
evenly,
udah lengkap banget.
beautifully set up for the second period to follow.
Nggak ditendang-tendang sama dia.
Well, the action has already resumed here. No changes at half time that we're aware of.
Lihat nggak sih ada kayak delay gitu, Pak?
Now it's
Antara
Neymar.
barnya ada barnya, muncul bar,
There at all.
nendang, sama kapan dia nendang.
Now it's Inzaghi.
Inzaghi, yes, tidak masuk.
Missed, but not by that far.
Kirain masuk itu.
Filippo Inzaghi certainly could have and should have made more
Kalau
of
gitu
that.
flashing aja tadi ya, ngapain digebok?
Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy.
Thomas Partey,
De Jong,
Frankie De Jong,
Partey.
masih Partey. Balik. Ya ampun, kenapa ke situ, Pak?
Now the
Dia pengen
counter.
situ tuh. Belakangnya dia tuh siapa sih?
And it's Oxlade
Bukan
Chamberlain.
Tomiyasu tuh, apa namanya?
Interesting ball.
Udah gol lagi, Pak. Untung aja, bagus. Bagus Oliver Kahn.
Oh, denied brilliantly.
Romario simply didn't
Itulah ya,
do
Oliver
anything
Kahn
wrong.
punya
He
kelas.
was thwarted by brilliance.
Yuk. Roberto Carlos akan mengambil tendangan sudut. Romario, short corner.
Carlos plays it short.
Waduh, apa itu barusan? Hei, ditendang dong. Ayo bolanya ditendang. Untung aja. Ronaldinho.
Well, that is rather wayward. Look, I don't want to sound too dismissive, but from here, that looked the harder thing to do.
Sumpah susah banget, Pak.
So, Jim, is that the manager telling the forwards that they must stay forward for now?
Well, I think he just is concentrating on the shape here, and he wants them to press as high as they can and get in the right position to do
Waduh,
that.
pro player
collectively.
semua.
Paulson,
Ditambah sayanya nge-lag. Aduh, nggak bisa ngelawan.
Oxlade Chamberlain. Oh, good read. And it's Inzaghi.
Ayolah, come on lah, ayolah, jangan nge-lag lah.
For this match was
Almost an hour gone.
60,332.
Bagus.
seen. Saw that
Wih,
coming.
pelanggaran
It's a
jelas.
foul. Yep, referee's
Pelanggaran,
given
pelanggaran,
it.
pelanggaran.
Not
Oke,
too many have the
ini
power or
kesempatan
indeed
kita.
the accuracy from this range. Would he dare to have a go? Neymar is standing. Neymar!
Ai,
Oh, he's pulled off a
gila
fine
itu kiper
save.
siapa, Pak?
Absolutely terrific. Terrific reflexes.
Au.
Goalkeeping at its very best.
Mantap, mantap, mantap itu kiper. Dia ganti pemain, silakan ganti pemain, Mas. Pemain saya tidak banyak, makanya saya tidak ganti-ganti pemain. Kok dikit ini yang nonton? Cuma saya doang sendiri. Kenapa itu kira-kira tuh?
Substitutions taking place.
Ya, come on. Bayindir.
Barcelona can counter promptly here.
Mertens.
Poulsen
Ayo dapat.
moved on forwards.
Harusnya kita back pass aja sih
He
tadi.
acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Ya
Well, that's
ampun.
down to a simple miscalculation. No more, no less.
Now it's Partey.
Frankie De Jong.
Clears it out of harm's way.
Susah banget ya kayak gitu ya. Oke, come on.
Roberto
Come on.
Carlos.
Lalalalalalalalalalalalala. Kena counter
There's his
Adama
chance to
Traore.
lead the counter.
Adama.
He's left his man.
Bagus.
Played the ball, that's a foul.
Ya udah nggak apa pelanggaran. Daripada lewat lagi.
Now it's Poulsen.
Tapi nggak gitu, nggak gini sih.
It's anyone's ball now.
Oh kirain Ronaldinho, itu Poulsen siapa pak? Nah, halo di passing dong. Anda lihat kan tadi?
Oh, that's a key
Siapa tuh?
interception.
Aduh gila
Oh, that
ngelag
is a good
banget.
ball to find him.
Offside.
I think that's offside.
Halo
Yes,
Bang
it
Halo
is.
Suhlon. Selamat datang kembali Suhlon. Aduh. Hari-hari.
Mings. Great
Aduh,
defending,
gila kan?
strong and determined. Now, who's going to be first to this? And for a moment, time stood
Lo
still.
kok
That's
gitu.
just
Bahaya
front
banget
foot
itu.
enforcement. Pressure leads to mistake, leads to chance.
Tengah aja. Filippo
Here's
Inzaghi.
Inzaghi.
Come on. Ayo kenapa ke situ?
They
Saya mau
just
ke
love
Inzaghi.
the level of
Katanya mau
intensity
futsal
here.
Bang, nggak jadi
Neither is
Pak.
prepared to back
Ada
down,
urusan.
and to be honest, that's
Masa
how it
ya?
should be.
Jadi apa namanya? Jadi nge-live saja. Rumah nggak ada yang jagain soalnya.
Roberto Carlos.
Harusnya mah apa jam 8 udah berangkat saya. Cuma ya karena ada urusan ya sudah.
Phillips.
Si,
Chance to shoot now.
jadi rumah nggak ada
Trying what
jagain.
he could shoot here.
Adek sendirian.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal
Sudah, live
credit
saja.
that would be most welcome now.
Nico Gonzalez. Buset, ini Nico.
Gets away from his
Waduh.
opponents.
Aduh.
He's got the shot away. Oh, should have put that away.
Well, maybe the tension around this game
Kok
played a part in that. because
belakangan
he should
ini
have put them
apa
ahead then.
dari tadi gini banget ya main ya, kayak nggak ada perlawanan banget pak. Short
Roberto
corner.
Carlos with the short one.
Dari tadi nggak ada perlawanan banget. Short corner lagi dia. Dodo.
Backward it goes.
Adama Traore. Dapat lagi Adama. Udah gol. Untung aja. Kirain gol itu.
Oh,
Di flashing kayak gitu.
That could be a costly miss.
Udah nyelesain misi Legend bang? Belum pak. Saya dari tadi siang
No, he's taken off it. That's
cuma
really well
apa
played.
namanya siap-siap buka doang istirahat.
Oh, that was vital.
Kagak buka game lagi.
Well, both sides might have to settle
Capek
for a
banget,
draw
udah pusing
here,
tadi
although
siang.
there's still a chance for
Lumayan
one
tuh live
last win.
streaming 3 jam.
Neymar already,
Alah.
of course, on the score sheet.
Nice, Frankie De Jong, ayo jangan ngelek-ngelek.
Poor pass
Ampun.
that, sloppy.
Bagus. Frankie. Ada Traoré. Yes.
Barcelona have a free kick.
Gue berak dulu.
And he is going into
Silakan. Ada aja.
If he's serious about trying from this range, I
Siapa
think
yang akan
he
mengambil?
must feel he can
Roberto
generate
Carlos
power.
tentu
Big
saja.
ask.
Wah, gila, Pak.
Some save from
Lu lihat
Kahn.
itu. Chef lagi. Save-nya.
You wonder if
Gila.
that's it now, but there may
Siapa
be
itu,
more
Romario yang ngambil ya?
opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here.
Emang jago. Orang-orang divisi 5 tuh jago-jago, Pak. Pada ngerti main semua.
Shifted upfield.
Ada Traoré. Iya.
Romario.
Diobok-obok.
And the finish.
Alah,
He
udah
could
gol.
pounce on that. Mertens, glorious. Late in the day, this could well be it. Kahn did well the first time. Nothing he could do about the follow-up.
Yeah, his instinct told him that the keeper would struggle to cope with that, so top marks for him following up. I think it's really sharp play, it was well read, and he was a little quicker than everybody else.
Males banget gue kayak gitu. Sumpah. Pantesan ini belum ketutup bener, Pak. Pantesan kagak dingin. Males banget.
Having turned the game on its head, now can they hold out?
Well, the last moments now, Peter, are going to be very frantic. There's still time for a twist or two yet.
Added time is up, and there
Ini
goes the
bisa-bisa
whistle.
turun ke divisi
Arsenal
6 lagi. Aduh, pusing banget dah gua dah. Aduh, ampun. Udah tinggal 5 match lagi. Buat promosi butuh 13 poin. Buat stay di divisi 5 butuh 10. Aduh, ya ampun. Sekarang baru 5 poin. Gara-gara seri tadi. 2 kali seri, 2 kali seri, 1 kali menang. Astaga, sumpah, Pak, diobok-obok. Diobok-obok sama anak divisi 5. Hari-hari ketemu MU. Endo siapa lagi tuh? Playing cards.
Just a quick request today.
Pique Yoshida, Tomiyasu, Manuel Nemanja Matic, Romario, Angel Di Maria. Kok saya lemes banget ya? Astaga. Gareth Bale, Rui Patricio, Gerard Pique, Yoshida siapa lagi? Zela Ryan. Yaudah yuk gas. Astaga. Ampun. Ayolah, come on.
Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening. A night that is Absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really
Sir
are something.
Bobby
A
Charlton
beautiful picture
Stand.
under
Oh,
the
ini di
floodlights. Traffic and transport round here,
Old
not the
Trafford.
kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and
Belum
the
apa-apa udah
decibel
ngelek
levels
banget sumpah
are
Pak.
rising.
Hari ini tuh ngelek banget, bener-bener ngelek.
Old Trafford rising to the occasion.
Kemarin-kemarin
as
gak kayak gini
only
loh
Old
ngeleknya.
Trafford can. Some terrific scenes at the Stretford end.
Ini bener-bener ngelek banget Pak.
The action has
Kayak nggak dikasih
already
napas Pak
started.
ngeleknya Pak. Aduh kan.
And the shots.
Belum
And
apa-apa,
he's there
belum
to make a
apa-apa.
great
Baru
save.
3 menit loh lihat.
Romario simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Ayolah. Ngelek banget Pak. Ih,
Morishige
untung aja.
tries to clear.
Halo Bang, halo Sulon, selamat datang kembali.
Out of play for a throw.
Ya ampun, gak dapet. Aduh. Ayo, Neymar, come on.
Octavio.
Langsung lag, gila.
Oh, good read.
Langsung lag gitu ya konsepnya ya.
Chance to break.
Ngapain dia itu?
Well seen. Saw that coming. Vince. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but
Bagus.
that was
Frankie de Jong, come on.
defending and they got away with it.
Nemanja
Oh,
Matic.
that's brilliantly defended,
Bagus
though.
Frankie de
It
Jong.
looked destined for a
Sepi
goal.
iya Wahyu, namanya juga YouTuber baru.
De Jong just eases him off
Gila,
the
gila,
ball.
lihat tuh. Betapa ngeleknya, betapa parahnya.
And
Endo
the counter
siapa
is
tuh?
on. It's a pretty loose pass.
Bagus. Makanya Wahyu,
It looks
tolong
as though
di
that might lead
subscribe.
to something quite
Kalau
promising, but it turned out
biar
that
cepet.
that was not the case.
Apa namanya, bertumbuh channelnya.
Neymar.
Flashing
Trying to
dari
find
luar
some
aja ini Pak.
straight finish.
Ai,
And
tipis-tipis.
he nearly went all the way.
Tipis pala lu, jauh
Really
begitu.
shows some outlandish
Salah sih
skills,
angle-nya
which is
tadi.
always welcome and
Posisi
obviously
bolanya malah
refreshing.
di belakang orang. Ayo. Tomiyasu duel. Yes.
Octavio.
Savio. Tengah ada Thomas Partey.
And it's
Come on, Neymar. Itu ya ampun ngelek.
Now it's Vince.
Bagus banget Pak kalau main ngelek-ngelek kayak
Real
gini Pak.
chance to
Sumpah.
break. Oh, that's a key interception.
Ya ampun. Ya. Untung udah balik tuh Roberto Carlos.
For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Now it's Vince. Chance to shoot now.
Ih, kok ke situ lagi? Maksud saya mau ke Inzaghi.
The keeper
Tiba-tiba
really
lewat
dug out
Inzaghi-nya.
his defense then.
Entah
A
kemana.
magnificent effort.
Waduh,
It's a decent looking ball.
tuh ngapain dua biji situ?
He's found a way through shapes to shoot.
Ya bagus. Bagus Oliver
No
Kahn.
messing about, just bludgeoned away.
Ya, Florian Wirtz.
He's had a fair
Langsung.
tumble under that challenge.
Filippo Inzaghi. Tarik dulu.
Octavio.
Nice.
De Jong.
Inzaghi masuk dong.
Oh, he's managed to pinch it
Neymar,
off him.
masuk.
Oh, great
Yes.
ball.
Ah, kok bisa gitu? Apa itu barusan tadi?
Could move up a gear here.
Romario,
Time.
ya.
Excellent interception. Octavio.
Bang, Ronaldo saya kiri apa Ronaldo striker?
Searching ball that into
Mendingan
space.
ini Pak, mendingan striker kalau menurutku.
Fitz.
Ronaldo striker kan bisa ini kan, bisa false nine juga kan.
And the ball's a good one here.
Astaga.
All eyes
Penalty.
on the referee.
Yes, penalty.
It's a penalty.
Bisa
Arsenal
false nine juga kan.
presented with a
Mbappe,
golden
Mbappe,
opportunity
apa
here.
Ronaldo. Sebenarnya di sayap juga
This to
bagus.
go one up.
Cuma saya lebih suka main 4-1-2-1-2. Ya.
And he's buried it. 1-0.
Golnya dari titik putih. Udah tidak apa-apa lah.
Time for a cool head.
Udah, ya,
And that
skip.
is precisely what he showed. Well, the keeper probably
Kalau
felt he
di
could
sayap
read
kiri
that,
kan dia
but
lebih
he's
ini kan lebih
completely
masuk
wrong.
kan.
He's gone to the other
Lebih apa
side.
lebih merapat ke tengah kan dia. Sama kayak model-modelnya apa profil winger.
Just listen to the reaction.
Kayak
I think you
model-model
can hear the
Sancho.
approval from the support all around the
Kalau
stadium.
pengalaman saya ya kayak gitu.
Filippo Inzaghi, well intercepted and it's
Tergantung
needed
gaya
to
mainmu
be.
juga.
And he's forced to go back.
Bagus Thomas Partey.
Running
Ayo.
strong and purposeful. Nice
Alah.
interception. His positioning was spot on. PK.
Jauh ke depan. Endo. Sumpah, pemain dia nggak terkenal Pak. Endo siapa dah ini dah? Nomor 7. Romario. Bagus. Florian Wirtz. Frankie de Jong. Come on.
So what can they make of this? Wirtz.
Ya, Neymar Junior. Come on.
He's left his man. It's Neymar.
Aduh, hampir.
Really put himself on the line here.
Bang, kalau main futsal bisa pakai sendal gak? Bisa, sendalmu bisa copot. Bisa putus, Pak, kalau main futsal. Bolanya berat kayak gitu.
Towering header.
Waduh, bagus banget Inzaghi.
Keeper pulls up a fine save.
Soalnya bola
Well, you
futsal tuh
can't
berat.
ask for much more than
Lebih
that.
berat
A
daripada
difficult
bola
moment he
sepak bola.
simply had to deal with.
Bener-bener batok gitu loh kalau futsal. Ya, pasti Anda tahu lah ya. Apalagi sih, Dek?
Massive leap.
Ngapain
Same
sih?
again, same outcome. This is proving to be a very good spell. The intensity is great, but they've got to make it count. That's been intercepted. Now it's Wirtz.
Inzaghi masuk.
Looking for the runner. Has a goal.
Yes.
Sticks it away. A
Tiba-tiba
quite
Neymar yang ngacir ke dalam.
incredible spell.
Udah,
They
jangan
are
selebrasi, jangan
flying.
selebrasi. Ntar kualat lagi.
Well, there's
Udah.
always a chance of being
Kalau
caught
nyundul
like that
sakit, Bang.
when you
Iya,
surrender the
sakit.
football.
Apalagi kalau kalau kamu
His
jadi
second of
ini.
the game,
Kalau jadi
and an eye
anchor.
now for the hat-trick.
Waduh, bener-bener.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Yang banyak nyundul tuh
The
anchor.
turning of the screw
Pivot
comes to
tuh banyak
mind,
banget
Peter.
nyundulnya,
They've
Pak.
got them where they want them.
Tapi kalau dia biasa udah sih.
I wouldn't fancy playing up front in these
Aku orang-orang bisa
circumstances,
nggak
to be
sakit,
honest.
kenapa
There's
ya?
absolutely
Gimana
no
gitu.
supply.
Padahal
It's the
kegebok
through
kenceng,
ball.
Pak.
Gets away from his opponents.
Lah 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 lah.
Just needed a better touch, and you could see his annoyance. It speaks for itself, doesn't it? Best left there.
Bisa kegebok, bisa nggak takut sama bola gitu. Saya mah takut sama bola. Sumpah, bola shoot dari tengah saya minggir. Minggir aku. Kalau bola di shoot dari tengah. Nggak berani, Pak.
Interesting ball. He's in plenty of space here.
Come on, Neymar. Neymar. Gocek lagi. Alah.
Zelarayán. And again, they run up against stubborn defending.
Ini nggak kelar-kelar nih wasit. Wasitnya nggak kelar-kelar loh.
Gets his pass away.
Oh, udah kelar.
And the referee brings the first half to a close. Arsenal are 2
Nah, gini
and
kayak
on the balance
menang
of
ya
things,
kan.
I would say deservedly
Dari
so.
tadi
They have
kalah
a very
mulu,
coherent
seri
game
kalah,
plan,
seri kalah,
and
seri.
if they are allowed to
Ayolah.
continue in
Bisa
the
lah,
same
yuk.
vein,
Menang yuk,
I can only see
3
the
poin, 3
margin
poin.
getting
Ayo.
bigger. Arsenal
3 poin.
in control at half time, 2-0.
Nemanja Matic.
So we're just settling
Ke
back
kanan
into this
ada
second
Angel Di
half.
Maria. Mulai nge-lag saya. Saya
Changes
nge-lag
made
nih,
by
nge-lag nih.
neither
Ini
side
nge-lag,
from
Pak.
what we understand. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done. Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
Oke. Nice.
Partey.
Aduh. Sumpah kayak apa?
Into space.
Pas mencet silang sama pas dia nendang tuh kayak beda seperkian detik gitu loh. Tuh,
Spread out to the left.
lu lihat kan bar di bawah
Intercepted,
pemainnya
and
itu
that will come to nothing.
kapan munculnya, kapan nendangnya.
Good spot, he's seen the run. And that's played in low.
Lihat, konyol banget. Kalau gue musuh tendangan tipuan aja panik. Iya sama. Atau enggak gini aja, nggak apa-apa kalau misalkan tangan lu
To safety. Oh, shooting
nutupin
chance.
muka tuh nggak handball, Pak.
It's run loose. Who's gonna get there?
Misalkan tangan lu nutupin muka nih, nutupin mulut, tuh nggak handball. Atau nutupin badan.
Tries the cut back.
Karena tangan lu nggak aktif kan. Nggak mengubah alat.
Tries a shot.
Untung aja.
Oh, the ball's run loose
Tidak
here.
merubah arah bola juga. Tutupin aja muka lu.
Opportunity for Arsenal to
Biar nggak
break.
kegebok.
Matic with the foul.
Astaga, apa itu
Well, that had
barusan?
the makings of something quite promising,
Melek
but it's
kali.
fizzled down into nothing. Now it's
Untung aja.
Romario.
Bagus. Ayo Neymar.
Manchester United appear to be happy to let their front players stay in front all the time.
Well, it's signaling
Alamak,
to the opposition, setting themselves up.
Alah. Di.
It's a loose ball.
Sumpah Oliver kan lagi on fire banget, Pak. Dari match sebelumnya. Berapa save dia? Apa? Ini dari gamenya ini, bukan streamingnya.
71,550.
Kelakuan lihat. Aduh.
Partey.
Otavio, yes.
That's a
Yes,
promising
come on.
ball. Oh, and he's broken the lock. Can he finish?
Ya, kan.
More
Kalau
and
serang.
more.
Bang, enakan main di PC apa di
And
PS,
they're
Bang?
cruising away.
Sebenarnya nggak ada bedanya sih. Kalau buat ini ya, kalau buat eFootball,
Filippo Inzaghi
sebenarnya kayaknya nggak ada
very
bedanya
cleverly
deh.
provided the
Selama lu
return
pakai
ball
stick,
there, and it made all the difference
selama
in
lu
the
pakai
creation of
controller
that
ya.
goal. I don't want to take anything away from the finish, but
Ya
the
sekarang
pass was
mikirnya gini
really
deh.
key.
Emang ada orang main bola kayak gini pakai keyboard? Rada konyol kan? Pasti kalau main bola ini pakai controller, Pak. Ya kalau controller juga nggak beda jauh.
Arsenal take a
Cuma beda
3-goal
paling beda
lead,
huruf-hurufnya
and they
doang.
are romping out of sight. Still no way through.
Tapi
The
kalau
defender
FIFA,
here is resolute.
Kalau FIFA katanya lebih bagus di PS5 daripada di PC. Katanya dia nggak dapat apa hypermotion apa gitu.
Matic running with the ball.
Kalau nggak salah.
Zelarayan.
Zela Ryan nge-lag lagi saya.
Fiddles it through.
Sumpah nih, saya 3-0.
He scores! Even some of the
Kebobolan,
opposing fans are
3-1.
clapping that. You just have to appreciate it. Yeah, and it's not a surprise to
Alah,
see
ayolah,
Malek
ayolah,
shoot
ayolah,
from
ayolah.
there, considering
Come
how
on.
much movement can be generated on the ball. Great hit.
Frankie De Jong.
Manchester United give themselves a fighting chance. Back in with a shout. Oh, he's
Penalti.
caught him in
Ya,
or
penalti.
out. So
Bisa, Bang,
a
kalau
big,
tangannya
big
fast hand.
chance now from 12 yards.
Iya, Pak, gimana ya? Main bola pakai ini.
We'll have to save it
Kita ini,
here,
kita ini,
or
kita
there's
chip.
real trouble.
Chip bola. Come on, chip bola. Panenka. Ya ampun.
He has spurned it. Not the best
Gaya-gayaan
block
lagian
they've ever
Panenka
seen, but
dah.
they've got to keep their heads up and
Nggak
chase
masuk
this
kan?
game.
Gak apa. Gol kok ini. Dapat aja lagi tuh. Siapa tuh backnya tuh? Roberto Carlos duel. Frankie De Jong. Aduh.
Endo, and that interception
Lah,
was
kok gitu?
most necessary. Poor pass that, sloppy.
Ayo passing.
Oh,
Alah,
nice
Majang. Ngelek kali loh,
Well
duh.
seen.
Tuh lihat
Saw
tuh.
that coming. So what can they make of this?
Otavio
Played out to the
masuk.
right.
Let's go.
He is through here.
Alah, sundulannya kayak gitu, Pak. Kayak anak SMP sundulannya. Yes. Nge-lag banget.
Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him.
Astaga. Nggak mau tackle.
Ball, and
Nah,
it needs to be. Arsenal can breathe again. Just. Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds
berapa
were
serangan
stacked
yang harus
against them.
gagal gara-gara nge-lag. Banyak
That's
banget
been intercepted. Yoshida.
dari tadi. Sebenarnya bola tuh kalau nggak
Move up a
nge-lag
gear here.
bisa banget ngelawan saya.
No, the ball needed to be better
Ngelawan
there.
ya, bukan
So
berarti
wasted
menang ya,
chance.
ngelawan.
There's the hit. Hits it. With
No.
so little time left. Grandstand finish.
Oke,
Not so much
kita ganti.
sophistication as doggedness
Kita
and
main
sheer
ini, kita-
bloody-mindedness. Oh, Peter,
Aduh,
you
saya mulai
can't
panik
teach that.
nih.
You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another
Sub,
level to
kita
everyone
ganti.
else's.
Ibrahim Diaz
Superb.
masuk. Ya, Ibrahim Diaz masuk. Mulai panik nih. Kita main defending deh.
Substitution on the field. Number 39.
Defend.
We have got changes here.
Defend.
Both sides,
defend.
In fact,
Gareth Bale.
Manchester United give themselves a chance of a fairy tale finish.
Coming on the field.
Yeah, it's safe to say that
Duh,
they
dia
just
all
need
out
to manage
attacking,
this
coba
to
lihat tuh.
secure the win now.
Merahnya ada 2 bar.
Number 6.
Ayo dapat, nice.
Well spotted.
Substitution in progress.
Partey.
Dia harusnya high pressure banget
It's just a question
dan
of
itu harusnya
running
bisa
down the
kita
clock
manfaatin
now.
buat main one to one.
Oh, nicely intercepted.
Enggak juga.
Endo.
Yes. Menang, akhirnya menang, ya Allah, dari tadi. Dari tadi kagak menang-menang.
Hard fought, impossible to predict. In the end though, only
Akhirnya 3 poin, 3 poin, 3 poin. Oke, berarti kalau 3 poin lagi itu baru 11 poin. Berarti harus 2 kali menang lagi. Ribet juga, Pak. Saya mulai kesel ya sama eFootball ya. Kenapa ya? Padahal pas main eFootball viewer pada berdatangan. Oke, ayo. Wahyu Anjay. Udah 117 subscriber, mantap. Halo Bang, ini akun kedua Suhlan. Wah, mantap, jangan lupa subscribe pakai akun itu, ya kan? biar nambah aja subscribernya, biar 120 subscriber. 3 biji lagi, ayo. 120 udah, terima kasih Fikri, terima kasih Suhlon. Lihat berapa subscriber? 117 subscriber. Masih 3 orang lagi. Ini dia. Kita lihat lawannya. Waduh, Olivier Giroud, Lautaro Martinez, Otavio, Frenkie de Jong, Achraf Hakimi, Barrios siapa, Kostic siapa, Tah, Bremer, Buffon. Oke, kayaknya nggak terlalu berat, tapi nggak tahu kita nggak tahu dia mainnya kayak gimana kan, di lapangan kayak gimana. Bisa aja kita yang nge-lag atau dia mainnya jago. Ayolah. Dari siang liatin monitor, mata capek. Ronaldo muda posisinya di mana, Bang? Ronaldo muda di MU. Kayaknya dulu di ini deh, winger deh. Gak tahu, saya lupa wingernya di mana. Aku lupa wingernya di mana. Pokoknya kayaknya winger deh. Dulu di MU. Kayaknya.
And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game.
Oh, aduh, kenapa nggak ke Frenkie de Jong? Tiba-tiba nge-lag gitu. Izo, tengah. Ya, Frenkie, come on, Frenkie. Kayak gelandang kiri atau kanan, Bang? Dia gelandang kanan kiri tuh AMF maksudnya apa gimana? Coba ya. Kayaknya kita kesini aja deh. Thomas Partey aja deh. Gelandang tuh AMF atau RMF sayap gitu, real winger.
Oh, he's managed to pinch it off him. And here's Inzaghi. Oh, good ball.
Dibuang aja langsung. Yang mau Neymar. Angkat bola, tidak ada siapa-siapa di sana. Astaga, lu lihat. Gimana mau main? Kayak mana mau main nge-lag kayak gitu? Nggak ada pemain pula. Ya, tung aja. LMF, RMF, Bang. Oh, berarti real winger ya dia ya. Udah, jangan selebrasi udah. Udah, selebrasinya bentar aja. Saya juga itu gol hoki, Pak. Olivier Giroud, Lautaro Martinez, Olivier Giroud, bagus Mings, Thomas Partey, ayo counter, Florian Wirtz. Pelanggaran dong jelas. Ya. ampun. Coba kita nge-shoot pakai ini deh, pakai Roberto Carlos deh. Coba. Ini nyoba aja nih, Pak. Apakah bisa? Tipis loh itu. Bagus itu. Bang, kalau mau dapat penghasilan dari YouTube harus berapa subs? Kayaknya 1000 subs deh, 1000 subs. Iya, 1000 subs baru dapat monet, Pak. 1000 subs sama berapa jam penayangan gitu. Ya memang susah dicapai 1000 subs. Apalagi yang penayangan itu. Neymar dapat lagi. Come on, flashing. Ampun. Ayo lo. Penalti. Oh enggak. Kenapa tuh? Lah, kok dihitung offside? Aneh aja. Sekali dapat berapa, Bang? Wah, saya tidak tahu. Saya belum pernah dapat soalnya. Gue belum pernah dapat soalnya. Kayaknya nggak gede deh kalau youtuber kecil kayak gitu. Tergantung iklan yang masuk berapa. Tergantung berapa lama viewer kita nonton iklan. Makin lama viewer kita nonton iklan, ya semakin banyak yang dapat duitnya. Kayaknya gitu deh konsepnya. Florian Wirtz, come on. Apa tuh? Kalau mau dapat silver play button harus berapa subs, Bang? Kalau silver play button setauku 100.000 deh. 100.000. 100.000 dapat. Aduh, ngelag. 100.000 dapat tuh. Bagus. Ayo, Florian Wirtz. Lo kok ke Neymar? Kenapa ke Neymar Anda? Ada Inzaghi itu di tengah kosong padahal. Achraf Hakimi. Otavio. Wantu dia. Emiliano. Anjir, bisa gitu, Cok. Untung aja. Jadi 100.000 itu silver play button, 1 juta gold play button, 10 juta diamond, 50 juta ruby. Ya nggak sih? 50 juta ruby. Atau yang 100 ya, yang ruby ya. Kayaknya 100 juta deh ruby deh. Yes. Aduh, ayolah. Set deh. Sah amat main ya. Susah, ngelek pula. Otavio, ayo. Kok Anda dukung Otavio-nya? Otavio musuh loh itu. Thomas Partey. Otavio. Pelanggaran. Jelas. Diserobot dari belakang. Otavio. Aduh, mana nih? Sini aja. Main sabar. Pegang bola. Yes. Come on. Alah. Cepat apa tuh? Cepat 100.000 subs, Bang. Amin. Terima kasih. Siapa tuh? Rehan. Terima kasih, Rehan. Amin. Makanya saya semangat banget. Ya, untung aja. Oke, ayo Neymar. Come on. Itu. Weird. Kosong. Yes. Come on. Kontrol bolanya, Pak. Lah. Kirain ditangkap sama si Buffon. Ayo. Las. Udah. Oke Rehan, tolong dibantu ya subscribe-nya ya Rehan ya. Sinyal gue lag bang. Kayaknya enggak deh. Sinyalku yang lag deh dari tadi. Bukan streamingnya yang lag, tapi gamenya yang lag. Kayaknya gitu deh. 1000 top flash refill bang. Kalau ada facecamnya pak. Saya nggak punya facecam masalahnya.
And we are already promptly back on the way. Arsenal going well here and they're in a good position to kick on and add to their lead.
Lah, kok lewat 2 orang kayak gitu. Ya, Achraf Hakimi crossing berbahaya.
Has a goal! He has done it! The second half sparks straight into life.
Timor Leste.
It is a good finish. The odds were against him.
Singkatannya TLS habis ya. Oh, Toulouse, bukan Timor Leste. Apa itu barusan? Jauh banget umpannya.
It's a very good contest with two very good sides and with such great individual talent on show. It could go either way. Arsenal applying the press here.
Bang, lu punya pacar ada nggak ya? Kira-kira ada nggak? Kira-kira ada nggak? Kira-kira. Kira-kira lu, menurut lu? Harusnya ke Otavio. Lautaro Martinez, tidak offside itu, hei. Offside kan? Ya kan, offside. Menurut lu ada nggak? Tebak-tebakan aja nih kita. Ngelag, untung aja.
Well, Peter, just see here how a lot of the attacking players aren't dropping back anymore. And that means just one thing, I suppose. Yeah, they just simply want to engage the counter attack.
Bagus. Otavio atas.
Otavio.
Frankie balik. Yes. Inzaghi. Let's go. Filippo Inzaghi. Ada bang? Nggak ada. Saya nggak ada. Saya anak rumahan. Nggak keluar, saya nggak main jauh-jauh. Makanya saya live streaming kan. Anak rumahan banget ini. Kalau nggak ada apa tuh? Tuh lagi. Kalau nggak ada pacaran sama Georgina. Georgina siapa pak nih pak? Halo? Georgina siapa nih? Georgina siapa dulu nih? Georginanya si ini Ronaldo. Georgina pacarnya Dodo bang. Umurnya jauh pak. Ya ampun. Giro kan, bener-bener kan palanya kan. Sundulannya sadis banget pak. Olivier Giro. Balik Inzaghi, come on. Belum nikah bang dia. Udah. Ronaldo mau udah nikah pak. Orang anaknya udah banyak. Masa belum nikah? Anaknya udah banyak bro. Waduh, tiang Roberto Carlos. Nice try.
Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited and they need filling and fast.
Buffon langsung ke depan. Arahkan pada Olivier Giroud tadi maksudnya. Frankie De Jong ke kanan. Mings, lari Mings. Ini center back nih, ngapain dia naik-naik? Depan lagi langsung. Arahkan pada Olivier Giroud. Pak Agus Thomas Partey. Balik. Yes. Neymar. Ini bikin anak belum nikah. Masa?
Oh, that was
Setauku
such a
udah
smart
nikah deh
exchange
itu
of
deh.
passes, and it took so many defenders out of play in one quick movement. Wonderful goal.
Saya tidak tahu kehidupan orang, Pak. Ya
So
udahlah,
now the
biarin aja.
difference is 3.
Well, unsurprising.
Untung aja bagus Oliver Kahn dari tadi. Oliver Kahn selalu menjadi pembeda, selalu menjadi penyelamat.
Yes, the referee's given it.
Apa tuh?
No, he's not getting his
Ronaldo
way this
JR
time.
bukan anak kandungnya Georgina, Bang. Waduh, konspirasi apa lagi itu?
Yeah, that it's a quick one.
Konspirasi apa lagi kah itu?
Vids,
Ada teori baru kah?
and it's Inzaghi.
Kenapa ke Wirtz? Kesenggol ya bolanya masih Wirtz ya, jadinya ke Wirtz. Mulai. Dari tadi nggak nge-lag aman nih, 4 gol nih.
Nice interception.
Jangan lagi nge-lag kebobolan, kesikat lagi.
Roberto Carlos.
Nah,
Vids.
enak gak main gitu?
Well, that
Aduh,
was a period of possession which carried
Frankie de Jong.
just about no threat
It's-
at all.
kalah
Full
body dia.
past that, sloppy.
Nah, enak
And
gak
it's
main gitu?
Inzaghi.
Harusnya ke Neymar. Neymar kosong tadi.
And there's his chance to lead the counter.
Ronaldo udah nikah, Bang, tapi dia cerai. Aduh, saya tidak
De
tahu
Jong.
saya tidak tahu
Giroud.
apa-apa kalau tentang itu.
Oh, that's such a good. And the shot.
Tidak pernah kepo-kepo yang kayak gitu.
And he stuck it away as if laser guided.
Dan kayak nggak pengen tahu aja udah. Ini kenapa nih live stream nge-lag? 720.
Substitution in progress.
Well, there is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has
Kayaknya kita
done him a big favour
main
I think,
defend
by,
ya.
by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
Toulouse give themselves a fighting chance. Back in with a shout.
Achraf Hakimi tidak kekejar bolanya. Bagus. 4-2 harusnya menang. Neymar melebar. Aduh, kenapa ke situ? DPN ke Tomiyasu melebarnya.
Rafinha has a shot.
Ais, berbahaya.
Oh, and they
Berbahaya.
really should have been made to pay.
Berbahaya flashing kayak gitu. Rafinha.
On any slip up, and he was gifted a chance.
Ya, come on, jangan nge-lag.
Arsenal clearly now in lead preservation mode. Otavio.
Otavio. Awas. No.
Great hit.
Untung aja.
Great build up. It all deserved a better ending.
Giroud
Jago nih
has
orang, Pak.
every reason to be
Sumpah.
disappointed after being played in so well. The gaffer won't let him forget that.
Neymar. Muscular approach does pay off here. Nice ball and he's in here. Early ball out from the back.
Halo
That will be
Lims.
the final act.
Halo, selamat datang Lims. Bang, cara dapetin Piala Ballon d'Or gimana? Kenapa nanyanya ke sini, Pak?
And the result reflects as
Nanyanya
much.
ke sini.
Filippo Inzaghi, he turned up.
Tahu gue ya, kalau Piala Ballon d'Or tuh di vote sama jurnalis, terus sama kapten timnas, terus sama siapa lagi ya? Di vote. So tahu lu Fikri. Bukan saya ngomong lo ya, itu si Arka lo ya yang ngomong ya. Saya nggak ngomong apa-apa lo. Saya bahkan tidak tahu cerita-cerita orang. Ya Arka, emang saya sok tahu. Bukan aku lah yang ngomong ya, orang tuh ya yang ngomong ya. Betul, jangan lupa subscribe ya kan, Lim sama Arka. Kalau baru subscribe. Biar cepet naiknya 120 subscriber. Biar saya bisa makan sendiri. Biar makan sendiri. Udah berapa subscriber nih? Masih 117, ayo bantuin sampai 120 subscriber. Mau cara dapetin Piala Dunia gimana? Lu main di Piala Dunia. Udah simple kan? Main di Piala Dunia, udah. Lu main, lu menang. Udah, itu aja, jangan sampai kalah. Udah. Simple kan? Kenapa nanya cara dapetin Piala Dunia, Pak? Pak, kalau gambarnya burik, settingnya di 720 ya. Setting ininya, setting videonya. Gue udah nge-live 1,5 jam loh. Bruno Fernandes, Otavio. Aus banget, untung udah buka ya. Kevin De Bruyne, Patson Daka, Erling Haaland. Waduh. Lihat musuhnya. Erling Haaland, Patson Daka, Bruno Fernandes, Kevin De Bruyne, N'Golo Kante, David Beckham, Jesus Navas, Sergio Ramos, Beckenbauer, Roberto Carlos, David De Gea. Halo Bang, saya mampir. Selamat datang. Siapa tuh? Ibtisam. Jangan lupa subscribe, ya kan? Jangan lupa di subscribe. Bantuin 120 subscriber biar cepet ini channel naiknya, oke? Terima kasih sudah mampir, Ibtisam. Komen-komen lah kita, ngobrol-ngobrol. Santai aja. Jangan lupa saya ngambil minum dulu. Pegel. Bang, cara dapetin piala FIFA Club of the Century apaan itu, Pak? Piala apaan itu? Sumpah baru dengar itu saya. Baru dengar saya itu piala begituan.
Old Trafford rising to the occasion as only Old Trafford can.
Jesus Navas, N'Golo Kante, David Beckham, Jesus Navas, depan langsung, maksudnya langsung pada David Beckham tadi.
Frankie de Jong is another brilliant prospect to come out of the Dutch system.
Patson Daka, Patson.
And his position is obviously central.
Maksudnya pada Erling Haaland tadi di sana.
And he'll be providing the creative and
incisive
passes.
Come on.
I'm thinking the same. He will be a central feature, no doubt.
Neymar. Ai. Florian Wirtz. Florian. Yes.
He's delivered all right.
Piala 1 abad, Bang, cuma Madrid yang punya. Apa itu, Pak? Saya baru denger. Sumpah, saya baru denger. Saya nggak tahu itu piala apaan. Kok bisa Madrid dapat? Gimana? Sumpah, saya baru denger itu. Piala-piala apa sih itu tadi itu? FIFA Club of the Century. Baru denger itu, baru denger.
And just to confirm that the referee did issue a yellow card for that earlier incident.
Yeah, and the ref told him it was coming, and he still failed to heed the warning.
Tahu saya yang apa? Piala paling bagus buat klub tuh yang Piala Dunia klub.
Over to the left. He is through here. De Jong.
Frankie de Jong.
Oh, what a ball is in here.
Hasil voting, Bang. Voting mana? Voting dari mana, Pak? Siapa yang voting? Sumpah, saya baru dengar itu. Tiang. Terima kasih Mister Gawang. No. Ayo, come on. Oh.
Now it's Haaland. Oh, good read.
Gila. N'Golo Kante, David Beckham, Patson Daka, Bruno Fernandes. Untung, bagus. Dapat Bruno,
It's Beckham.
David Beckham, Erling Haaland, Erling Haaland shooting.
Ball's loose here. Otavio.
Kayak Ballon d'Or. Iya, siapa yang voting, Pak? Siapa yang voting begituan?
And they can counter here. Gets his pass away.
Patson.
Brilliantly cut out.
Astaga.
It's run loose. Who's going to get there?
Buset, pemainnya sadis dia, Pak. Siapa yang voting maksudnya? Emang ada piala kayak gitu ya? Sumpah, baru dengar, Pak. Emang pengumuman piala itu kapan?
And he's gone looking for safety.
Bagus sekali Florian Wirtz.
Now a sudden
Langsung
chance to
Frankie
counter.
De Jong, come on. Frankie De Jong.
Oh, he's picked out the runner.
Otavio dapat Otavio.
Oh, important interception.
David De Gea langsung ke depan, amankan bola. Frankie De Jong, gagal ya.
Snuffed out the danger.
Fansnya
And the
bang.
counter is on.
Emang ada piala yang ini?
And he's
Kalau
in a
di voting
really
sama
good
fansnya
position
subjektif
here now.
banget dong.
And through to the goalkeeper.
Di voting sama jurnalis saja udah subjektif,
Neymar.
apalagi ini
Now it's Inzaghi.
sama fans.
De Bruyne.
Subjektif banget dong.
So what can they make of this? Great hit.
Gila Haaland.
He scored.
Nggak tahu bang Haaland.
They have grabbed
Pak, bentar ya,
themselves
saya
an
cari di Google
equalizer.
nih.
With time and
Bentar,
space aplenty,
habis ini
he was
babak
never
pertama
going to
kelar.
miss.
Saya cari di
Yeah, it's
Google.
simply
Tadi
tragic
piala apa tuh?
defending when a renowned finisher is ignored. It's how he built his reputation.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, it's a very
Ayo,
good contest with two very good sides and with such great
Alah, kenapa
individual
begitu
talent on
passingnya?
show. It could go either way.
Dapat Roberto Carlos, yes. Neymar, come on Neymar,
And that interception was most necessary.
yes.
Yeah, he's pulled him up for that
Aduh,
challenge.
tar saya cari di Google dulu. Cari di Google dulu.
Navas.
Apakah beneran ada?
That's been intercepted.
Soalnya saya yang waktu itu tur stadion kagak ada pialanya, Pak.
Now it's Inzaghi. Oh, red. Nice interception.
Offside.
His flag offside.
Tur stadion di Santiago Bernabeu. Ya walaupun virtual sih turnya. Cuma kagak ada piala kayak gitu, Pak.
Wirtz.
Alah. David Beckham. Erling Haaland dikeroyok dia, Erling. Dapat aja loh dia.
Wirtz.
Ayo jangan nge-lag. Astaga,
Sergio
nge-lag
Ramos
banget.
spots it and intercepts.
Bagus
That's a
Florian.
foul. Free kick's been given.
Pelanggaran. Sergio
Bruno
Ramos.
Fernandes.
Thomas Partey bagus.
Wirtz.
Wirtz.
Foot in. The ball is loose and the chase is on.
David Beckham. Patson
Bruno
Daka.
Fernandes.
Gila kosong banget. Untung ke tengah syutingnya.
Potential goal of the season
Otavio,
contender,
come on.
if only.
Lah, kok
He
gitu?
won't let the failure to score affect him. With the ability he has, he can reproduce.
Neymar puts his foot
Mau
on the
Neymar,
gas.
come on.
He's lost
Passing.
the ball there. Great tackle.
Yes. Lah. Coba nih ya,
And the
aku
first
cari
half
dulu
is
nih.
done. Well, it has been an even
FIFA
contest
Club
as the
of the
scoreline
Century.
suggests, and it has been more than decent to watch. It's been a really interesting game up to now, and the sides are predictably very well matched.
FIFA Club of the
Hoping perhaps for a
Century.
little bit more from both parties in the second half, but
Oh,
as it
ini.
stands, it's one each.
Ada nih. Apa nih? Klub sepak bola terbaik abad 20. Udah lama dong.
Rolling in the second half.
Sumpah pantesan saya nggak pernah tahu loh ada piala kayak gitu loh.
Arsenal upping the intensity here, having lost possession.
Yeah, it's actually
Klub
very
terbaik
good
di abad
pressing. They want it
20.
back as quickly as they can get it. And they're
FIFA
hunting
ada
attacks
aja
to
ngebuat
do
kayak
just
gitu.
that.
Good to watch.
Bang, aku telat
It
gak
really
bang?
is. It's
Waduh, udah
rugged
berapa
and
menit? Udah 1,5
robust,
jam
but it
ini.
still needs plenty of intelligence
Gimana
and
Anda?
teamwork.
Dava, halo Dava. Kok barengan Anda sama Sorjono datangnya? Ya, pelanggaran. Bang, aku telat gak bang? Aku telat gak bang? Abang. Apa kalau di Windah bocil telat ya? Apa sebutannya? Bang, aku telat gak bang? Enggak telat Sorjono. Apa? Nggak ada kata telat sini. Apa itu telat? Emang sekolah telat-telat kan? Di sini nggak ada telat-telat ya. Ih gila, ngapain dari tadi itu ngebling tiba-tiba? Frankie De Jong bagus. Mings.
Otavio, Partey.
Bagus. Inzaghi, come on. Astaga.
Good stop. That wasn't easy.
Udah 1 jam aja. Iya. Bang, gue bentar doang lihat live-nya abang, soalnya mau tidur. Siap. Terima kasih Dava. Udah mampir ya. Mas Partey sundul.
Manchester United can counter promptly here.
Neymar. Come on Neymar. Florian Wirtz. Ya, let's go. Oh, Otavio loh, ternyata kirain si Wirtz. Let's go. Makin malam makin hoki. Ayo. Bruno Fernandes. Ya, Patson Daka, bahaya Patson. Bang, UCL Madrid ada berapa? UCL Madrid tahu udah berapa? Ngapain juga ngitungin? Saya bukan fans Madrid juga. Buat apaan ngitungin trofi satu klub berapa? Ditahan kayak gitu. Itu lu malam live bola mulu ngapa bang? Ya, saya suka bola, saya pecinta bola, gitu aja. Bang, apa tuh? Ntar lupa. Gila. Ada 13 bang. Bang, lu ngapalin aja lu Fikri. Bang, caranya top up eFootball gimana tanpa credit card? eFootball 2022 ini pakai ini PS Wallet paling. Waduh, bahaya banget itu. PlayStation Wallet. Jadi Anda top up dulu PlayStation Walletnya, nanti tinggal di redeem. Kayaknya sih gitu. Top up bisa di Kodashop juga ada kok. Toko-toko online kayak gitu. Ayolah, jangan nge-lag lah. Ayolah, David Beckham, Erling Haaland, Bruno Fernandes, Patson Daka. Bahaya banget Patson. Bruno, bahaya banget. Siapa ini? Bagus. Bang, dagelan apaan maksudnya? Nggak tahu saya. Nggak tahu dagelan apaan. Tapi dagelan kayaknya sesuatu yang lucu deh. Ya, itu yang bisa saya simpulkan. MU, aduh nge-lag pak. Alasannya kalau kalah nge-lag. Live-nya dari jam berapa bang? Tadi dari jam 8 lewat deh. 8 lewat. Jam 9 kurang lah.
Manchester United take the lead. No doubt as to who has the
Ayolah, aduh nge-lag banget pak, sumpah. Astaga.
Now it's Haaland. Place it in low.
Ampun. Sorjono namanya.
But you have to admire their commitment to goals.
Waduh. Ayo.
No question that's a foul. Fits.
Ya, Otavio, come on. Ayo Otavio. Lewati dia. Nge-lag pengganggu hidup lu ya bang. Iya pak, sumpah ganggu banget. Maju Oliver Kahn. Nice.
Khan can claim that.
Bikin emosi Pak, no lihat no. Gak nge-lag aja saya cupu. Gimana nge-lag?
Now it's Haaland.
Ah, penalti.
Real chance.
Iya kan penalti.
Whistle's gone and the referee has given a penalty. Arsenal present their opponents with the best possible chance here.
Ayo kita tebak. David Beckham kiri. Yes. Ah, itu udah bener loh, kiri loh. Kenceng banget itu bolanya. Itu bener loh, kiri dong. Bener dong, kiri dong tadi dong. Kenapa kenceng banget Pak bolanya? Udah males dah gue main gini dah. Sumpah udah males dah main gini dah. Jaringan nge-lag. Hari-hari Pak, setiap main e-football pasti nge-lag. Tadi lancar enak tuh. Cetak gol. Ya, come on. Otavio. Belum habis. Itu dia nendang pakai apa? Halo, itu di depan gawang, Pak. Oliver Kahn gue bener mulu bang. Kok Oliver Kahn tuh lo jago bang. Nggak tahu hari ini lagi on fire aja nih si Oliver Kahn. Sumpah dari awal live stream lagi OP banget dia. Udah gila. Lah Konami, kenapa harus nge-lag gitu loh? Frankie masuk, kenapa nggak ke Frankie itu?
Confirmation that there will be 4 minutes stoppage time. It's a decent looking ball. Manchester United get it back again. Chance to break. Looking for the runner. He's through, and this looks dangerous.
Allah.
It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. De Gea catches it safely. And that is that. Quite a game, memorable for its fluctuation in fortunes and astonishing turnaround. How would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim? Arsenal really will be deflated by the result, not just because they lost, but the manner of this defeat, Peter.
Iya, lu joget deh, iya deh. Udah lu joget deh, gue frustasi main e-football. Bang katanya mau main FIFA aku baru FIFA 19. Saya bingung mau main apa ini. Dan logikanya kalau saya main FIFA 19 kan itu game lama kan, nggak mungkin masuk rekomendasi YouTube gitu loh, kecuali saya main FIFA 22 mungkin bisa masuk. Tapi kalau main FIFA 19 kemungkinan besar nggak masuk di beranda orang-orang karena itu game udah lama kayak gitu. Semangat bang, iya dapat semangat. Aduh, temen gue pocong. Pocong, jangan, aduh, udah, ampun. Udah, jangan gangguin hidup orang, lu punya hidup sendiri ya. Udah, kehidupan lu urus kehidupan lu, udah. Hush. Bacaan ayat kursi nih. Ayat kursi nih. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Kalau dari tadi Bang Sorjono gitu mulu. Iya Pak, makanya kan tadi siang ku ini ku bilang itu jempol kalau dikasih nyawa jadi tuh Abu Lahab. Itu jempol. Dele Alli, Thiago Alcantara, Pirlo, Filippo Inzaghi, Lionel Messi, Lorenzo, Eric Garcia, Mings, Alberto Moreno, Gianluigi Buffon. Tolong WKWK Papa. Oh aduh, udahlah. Saya nggak mau nyebut-nyebut Pak. Oh ya nanti ini besok pagi ini ya Madrid ini semifinal. Madrid sama apa? City. Madrid City. Halo Desa Wero, selamat datang di stream ini. Enjoy. Aduh, tenggorokan serak banget, Pak. Wih, nonton 7 ya, Pak. Banyak, Pak. Makin malam makin rame aja ini. Alhamdulillah. Bagus lah kalau begitu. Semangat saya. Ayo, ayo bisa yuk. Ayo. Walaupun masih walaupun di walaupun masih lu mau ngomong apaan? Lupa saya mau ngomong apaan tadi. Bang, lu dapat apa yang nyelesain Missile Legend? Saya belum nyelesain yang Missile Legend. Belum buka PES hari ini. PES Mobile ya. PES Mobile belum. Gua sepi. Coba ini deh, apa namanya, ditambah jam live streamingnya deh. Sumpah. Saya dulu kan live streaming sejam doang kan. Itu sama sekali stuck, Pak. Di 60 subscriber itu stuck. Itu sebulan 2 bulan live streaming stuck di 60 subscriber. Waktu itu tuh apa namanya, live streaming tuh cuma sejam gitu-gitu doang, Pak. Nah, waktu itu main Ghost of Tsushima, saya gas 7 jam. Langsung, Pak. Langsung impact-nya tuh gede banget. Langsung saya gas 7 jam. Bener-bener orang pada langsung masuk. Ya mungkin baru 1-2 orang sih yang masuk. Cuma bener-bener apa namanya, kayak masuk beranda orang. Tiba-tiba orang random datang. Bang, lu itu yang tadi. Coba ditambah aja deh, tambah jam live streamingnya. Kalau dari saya seperti itu. Ai, kuota gue melayang sekitar. Oh, kamu pakai kuota ya? Oh iya, saya tidak tahu Anda pakai kuota. Maaf. Sepi nih, iya Desa. Makanya bantu subscribe biar rame. Ayo, bantu subscribe. Hari ini 120 bisa nggak? 120 subscriber hari ini.
Now looking to orchestrate a counter. De Jong.
Ai. Besok live kapan? Besok siang kayaknya live. Live kok besok siang. Habis zuhur ya. Besok tuh hari Rabu. Bisa lah live besok. Buset, nge-lag banget, Pak. Gila. Ya, semangat. Nggak boleh ngeluh. Frankie, ayo ke tengah. Frankie De Jong. Nggak boleh ngeluh. Ayo. Saya cinta e-football. Ayo. Saya cinta e-football. Pamu e-football. Makin menjadi-jadi, coba lihat tuh. Ayo 120, gue jadi mod nih, bantu lah ya nonton. Gue out dulu Bang, terima kasih dah Pak, sudah mampir. Mampir lagi lain kali. Moderator saya ada berapa, Pak? Kayaknya kita nggak boleh. Emang belum ngantuk Bang ya? Sudah terbiasa. Biasanya jam-jam segini tuh masih nugas. Bagus banget, gila passingnya itu. Dor. Astaga. Biasanya kan udah apa namanya? Sekarang bedanya saya main. Kalau waktu sekolah nugas, sekarang main. Ayo double press. Bang, 1 menit ini subscribe langsung 120, yakin sama gua. Anda punya akun banyak ya? GB akun ya Anda ya? GB ya, halo Serjono. Dele Ali, Ke tengah, tidak ada yang dituju.
Oh, important interception.
Aduh.
Vitz.
Halo Desawero.
Otavio.
Sapa aku bang, ya Allah, udah kayak YouTuber gede aja gue ya.
And it's Pirlo.
Komennya sapa aku bang, udah kayak YouTuber gede aja gue.
Good read. The ball is
Yang
loose
nonton
and
aja
the
baru 6
chase
biji,
is on.
masih bisa
Now it's
dihitung
Messi.
yang nonton.
Oh, what a pass. Shot a goal.
Tuh buat main futsal aja kagak cukup 5 orang.
And again, they simply
Butuh 10
do not
orang.
know what has hit them. That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing. I'm not making any apologies,
capek,
but I was
Tapi
willing him
ngeluh.
to
Ayo,
supply the finish.
bisa yuk.
And he came up trumps. He's made it two, and no doubt
Emang
he's
Division
hungry
5
for
rada
more.
gila ini.
Palmer,
Bisa yuk, bisa yuk, bisa yuk,
without
yuk, bisa
replying.
yuk.
It's 2-0. That second goal has such a polarizing effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
Ayolah. Leo Messi. Astaga.
Messi,
Sidrakan dia, bagus.
no complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. Bounce of passing here, really
Ih,
easy
kok nggak
on
ke
the eye.
Inzaghi?
Alberto Moreno.
Desawero apa tuh? Jempol.
Time here. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half? Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got
aduh,
themselves into a very good
tolong,
position. So why
maaf.
dither from here when they can repeat their first half success
Subscriberku
with
dikit lagi
another show of
120
strength?
ibu.
Here we
Ayo
go
ibu,
again.
120 ibu.
This half might
Dikit
require them
lagi,
to produce
teori
a
doa
plan
ibu.
A, B, and
Ayo.
C. Leveling the score is easier said than done, but that will be the target. Get back on terms and then use that
Eric
momentum to
Garcia.
go again.
Dia main begini lagi ah. Sumpah bikin emosi pak orang-orang main gini kagak jelas dari
Fuertes.
build up kagak. Bahaya.
It's Inzaghi. It's a pretty loose pass. Vitz. Oh, it's Inzaghi.
Wih 120 guys.
And here's Dele Alli.
Ntar saya cek.
Pull
Sabar.
past that, sloppy.
Sabar, ntar saya cek dulu. Nggak takut kesiangan
And here's
sahurnya?
Inzaghi.
Enggak kesiangan kok. Sahur paling ya jam 4 lah udah bangun.
Oh, he's picked out
Makan
the
jam
runner.
4.
That's an excellent interception. De Jong. Roberto Carlos. Vitz. And that interception was most necessary. Now it's Inzaghi. Oh, good ball.
Aduh, apa itu, Cok? 5 back. Kewalahan strikerku. Baru jadi
That's
mouse
been
gua.
won straight
Ya,
back.
ntar saya cek. Sabar, Pak. Kalau turun,
And that's another good win of the ball. The pressing's intense and it's paid off.
ayo berarti targetnya 130 ya next ya. Sabar Sojono, saya lagi main. Ntar abis ini. Add moderator tuh udah. Coba komen lagi.
And he's forced to go back. Pirlo. And it's Chiellini. Played for Coates.
Anjir kok meningkat.
Chiellini. That's been
Bagus
intercepted.
dong kalau meningkat, gimana sih
It's
Anda?
Thiago.
Bagus lah kalau
It's
meningkat.
Inzaghi.
Ali,
Alberto Moreno has it in a
Alberto
wide position.
Moreno, saya bantai lagi, kesikat lagi sama orang-orang malam. Bagus.
Beautifully
Capek gue,
policed
sumpah.
that midfield. The
Sumpah capek
opposition have
banget,
been
Pak.
handcuffed.
Ini nge-lag begini.
Spread neatly. Oh, that's such a good ball. And the shot.
Untung aja. Bagus.
Relief it. Just needed better contact.
Apakah sudah 120? Oh ya, sudah 120. Terima kasih yang sudah subscribe. Ini akunnya si ini nih, Sorjono nih. Saya curiga aja, Pak. Sumpah. Boleh dong curiga dong.
Otavio. And here's Inzaghi. Could have been dangerous, but it came to nothing.
Boleh dong curiga
And
dong.
it's Inzaghi.
Sepi banget.
Dele
Udah
Alli.
paling pada tidur. Mau malam mau siang tetep aja sepi. Namanya YouTuber kecil, Pak.
That's been intercepted.
Mau live siang juga. Saya kan siang juga live. Sepi juga. Paling mentok 5 orang. Udah.
Dele Alli. And that interception was
Eh.
most necessary. And here's
Eh.
Dele Alli. And
Mulai
that's been
gila kan.
levered clear.
Emang bener. Bener kan.
And here's the chance to
Bener
counter.
kan. Akun dia banyak, Pak.
Nice interception.
Sumpah,
His positioning was
ras-
spot on.
Ada nggak sih apa namanya rasa-rasa pengen banting stick ketemu lawan kayak gini, coba lihat. Udah pakai apa namanya, udah pakai 5 back.
Dele Alli.
Backnya 5, badak semua lagi main kayak gini, coba.
Arsenal are
Astaga.
certainly now looking like a sorry lot. They haven't got a proper defence or attack for that matter.
Kayak gimana ya? Mau banting stick saya.
Is there and he can get that clear. Neymar
Oke, Neymar, come
acres of
on,
space
ayo.
out wide. He is through here. He's in acres of space here.
Ah,
Cross is blocked and that's a corner.
Bang jadi gua mod kek. Aduh, modnya udah kebanyakan, Fikri. Modnya banyak banget soalnya. Nantilah sering-sering lagi kesini ya. Sering-sering kesini nanti tak jadiin mod. Banting aja bang jadi pascol nanti. Oh, pascol kontol itu ya. Saya itu yang main apa? Yang main ML. Loh. Ini kenapa nih? Loh. Lah kok ngamuk? Itu yang Ome TV itu ya, Ome TV si Ryzen ya. AFK dong please.
Substitution on the
Save
field.
aduh, kagak
now some
AFK.
movement on the bench.
Kirain
and we
AFK
are going to
musuhnya.
see a change.
Kan lumayan ya, 3 poin. Langsung promosi.
Now it's can he put it away?
Gila. Gila loh, masih bisa ketepis kayak gitu.
And now they can spring out of defence.
Udah mulai frustasi.
Challenge just a bit on the firm side.
Pelanggaran pula.
Oh, he's caught him there.
Dia
It's a
gol
free
kantel.
kick.
Berarti abang harus bikin konten yang menarik selain ini.
Phillips.
Apa dong konten
Ball
menarik?
into space. And that's not going to reach.
Apa dong konten menarik? Coba.
Partey.
Apa yang menarik?
Now Neymar.
Collab sama Lesti Bilar po.
Look at
Menarik.
the space here. Now it's Wirtz. Phillips.
Gila.
No unnecessary risks.
Dia gak mau ikutin saran gua. Saran Anda itu GB akun, Pak.
Well, this hurts. The
Kayak
pain of
mana lah
defeat
aku
very
GB
evident,
akun,
and there are hard lessons to be learned.
Macam mananya kau ini? Aduh. Atau main FF, kan saya tidak main FF masalahnya. Itu dia ngap. Aku nggak main FF. Satu match lagi harus menang. Bismillah, ayo. Lah kok ngamuk, Pak, sumpah Pak. Aduh, ya ampun. Ini udah dibikin kesel sama eFootball. Nambah kesel lagi ngeliat komen kayak ini. Astaga. Aduh, pusing. Ayo. Pusing. 120 subscriber. Segar melihat itu. Segar sekali, segar. Serasa. Tonjok bang PS ya. Aku masih polos bang, jangan ngamuk, bacot. Ya benar, bacot. Bacot bat. Masih polos. Sudah nanya itu adiknya cewek apa cowok. Kalau cewek mau diembat. Kan akun gue tadi yang langsung 120 sub, ya kan, bener kan?
And a quick reminder today that parking in the area
Toxic.
around the stadium
Enggak, menurutku ya,
please use parking
apa namanya,
or any other paid parking
bacot
facility in the
nggak
area.
toxic dong kalau bacot. Yaudah, saya mencoba untuk tidak toxic ya. Oke, coba untuk tidak toxic. Oke, segar dan semangat. PS apa tuh? PS atau PC bang? Ini PS Taufik. Saya main di PS. Saya live streaming malam, gebrak-gebrak meja udah kayak orang gila, sumpah. Saya duduk di kursi plastikku ini mau denger nggak? Kursi plastik. Tuh. Dengeran nggak tuh suaranya? Kursinya.
Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening.
Pegel.
As you can see, there's been
Buset deh.
a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement.
Ya,
and it has
bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
built
Menang.
nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which
Menang,
are
menang, menang. Hoki,
certainly
hoki,
playing
hoki.
their
Ayo,
part
semoga
in
hoki. Ayo.
creating a glorious ambience.
Tapi kok saya udah minder duluan ya ngeliatnya. Bang, gua makan nasi uduk pakai tangan misah semua nasinya. Iya, kalau nasi uduk kan lebih ini, lebih apa, lebih ngembiar ya, apa bahasanya, lebih bercerai, lebih bercerai-berai. Apa sih kok bercerai-berai? Bahasanya apa sih yang bener? Florian Wirtz. Yes. Kalau dia pakai PC nanti bocil PC kentang menyerang. Iya. Padahal emang dari gamenya nih kayak gini. Alah, offside. Oh enggak, onside. Kirain offside. Mainan ML bang, aduh maaf. Saya udah frustasi di Epic ya. Waduh. Udah mentok-mentok Epic 3, udah. Udah, makanya udah nggak mau main lagi udah. Sekali gak bener dikata-katain, buset, dimaki-maki sama orang, sama rekan Steam. Sumpah. Saya kalau nge-push pakai Layla. Keren nggak? Nge-push pakai Layla. Bodoh amat mau MM5 juga pokoknya gue pakai Layla. Udah. Apa itu, apa hyper apa itu core, apa itu alah, apa itu gold land, XP lenda, bodoh amat. Saya MM. Epic Glory kau kena mental sama anak ML. Iya pak, mati sekali, dua kali lah. 2 kali mati, misalkan kena apa, kena first blood gitu kan, kena first blood langsung itu maki-maki tuh. Tahu apa namanya, mikirnya pakai apaan dia gitu. Ih kok situ. Makanya saya main di football biar nggak ada yang maki-maki. Astaga, kok bisa nggak masuk itu? Achraf Hakimi buang bola ke depan, ada Lionel Messi, David Beckham. Ya bagus, Tomiyasu. Ayo Tomiyasu. Oh garing itu back pak, center back. Bang 125 jadiin gua mod bang, janganlah 125 mah. Sering-sering kesini aja bro. Sering-sering kesini. Nanti saya ini dulu. Yang udah lama nggak kesini, saya offin dulu moderatornya.
Now it's Vinicius Junior.
Yang udah lama nggak kesini, tak matiin moderatornya. Gue untung udah lama main COC, jadi bacotan kayak gitu cukup disabari. Oh COC tuh lingkungannya kayak gitu juga ya? Banyak bocil-bocil bacot kayak gitu juga ya? Yes, let's go. Filippo Inzaghi.
With time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
Mikirnya pakai
his
dengkul bang.
appreciation of space then was absolutely
Anak-anak ML
exceptional.
tahu dah.
A moving genius. That
Apa
has
tuh
certainly
dulu
made things
yang
interesting.
anak-anak ML
Yeah, it's a very
tombol
good
suren ada
contest
di
with
setting
two very good
gitu.
sides, and with such great
Anjir,
individual
apa sih
talent
maksudnya?
on show, it could go either way.
Ayolah, anak-anak ML dewasa
Passing is
sedikit.
crisp and sharp. Fits.
Pasti satu match ya, di satu match, dalam satu match pasti ada ngata-ngatain ini. Pasti pak.
Closing in on goal. It's Inzaghi. It's loose and there's a race for the
Yang
ball.
dipuji cuma apa? Yang dipuji jago Lancelot, jago Fanny, udah itu aja, udah. Kalau jago Lancelot, jago Fanny, udah. Kill banyak, itu dia. Alah, 2-3 martabak serabi enak lah kalau dimakan Kenapa pantunnya kayak gitu? Nyambung aja lagi. Delete. Achraf Hakimi, Charles Puyol, David Beckham, Patrick Vieira, Marcos Llorente, Delete.
Here's Llorente, and that interception was most necessary.
Passing dong. Nggak dipassing loh sama dia lo, nge-lag loh.
Just eases him off the ball. It's a good ball and he could be in.
Allahumma sholli ala Muhammad. Aduh.
And he hits the net.
Emang merasa paling benar iya.
Well, we've seen the hunger to win it back and the focus to make it count. A very tasty combination.
Masa kalah mulu sih gue main? Ya Allah. Apa ini?
And it's Inzaghi. Filippo Inzaghi.
Ayolah jangan ngelek-ngelek kayak gitu. Aduh, lagi nyerang.
Well, they could break here. Partey gets across to intercept that. Roberto Carlos, Neymar, and here's Inzaghi.
Bang, apa tuh? Bang, besok malam main Resident Evil ya? Bisa. Kalau ada duitnya, itu dia. Kalau ada duitnya kan masalahnya kagak ada gamenya, kagak ada duitnya, itu dia. Masalahnya, masalah besarnya itu ada di money, fulus. Tidak ada duit. Dapat game 50.000 aja udah syukur-syukur.
Well, it's still anyone's game as both sides have shown they have goals in them. As for the next one, should it arrive, that may have a bigger bearing as to who emerges victorious.
And the game has already resumed here.
Arsenal need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition
Otavio Neymar.
Just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
David Beckham lari.
Beckham charging forward, the ball at his feet.
Jual PS, waduh, ngeri juga lu. Buset. Game-nya dipainin pakai apaan kalau kayak gitu?
Filippo Inzaghi. Passes coming off in quick succession.
Ya bagus, Florian Wirtz.
Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest.
Bang, kenapa Demit Dekul debat? Liga Spanyol kan, Dekul tuh Liga Spanyol kan, apa Barca kan? Saya nggak terlalu ngikutin Liga Spanyol soalnya. Liga Inggris aja udah. Yang seru apa namanya, City Liverpool. Lagi seru tuh. Main FF bang, waduh banyak yang minta main FF. Masa gue main FF? Masa gue main FF pak? Gimana konsepnya gue main FF? Dimaki-maki gue sama bocil FF tar.
Lovely take, but that is where it stopped.
Apa
Such a clever pass that flummoxed the
FF tuh banyak
defense.
bocil ya kan?
It could well be
Coba aja
revisited this.
main squad random. Tiba-tiba keluar. Bang bang bang. Oh, yang nomor 4 tolol sekali, nomor 4 tolol kali, nomor 4 tolol kali gitu.
That's been intercepted.
Nomor 4 tolol kali. Entah apa dari mana dia dapat kata-kata kayak gitu.
Intercepts the throw. That's well read.
Repep, woi, repep, woi. Bacot.
And it's Neymar. Good defending there. They've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition.
Dekul itu ngikut Messi.
Beckham. He's had a shot.
Bagus banget Tomiyasu, gila. Apa itu barusan?
Partey is there to heave it away.
Yang komen FF, subscribe dan lain video ini, siapa tahu besok dituruti. Aduh.
Inzaghi, long ball out to the right.
Aduh, masa gue main FF, Pak? Kalau demi ngikut Ronaldo, oh gitu.
Filippo Inzaghi. Oh, that's neat. Oh, great! It's Neymar.
Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam Gani. Kalau gak diturutin spam lagi, waduh, anak FF ya, bener-bener ya, anak FF ya, bener-bener. Yes, game on, let's go. Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam Gani Albi. Turu genah.
That is just remarkable. The amount of bend he got on that.
You know what was notable in that, Peter, was the fact that he didn't try to blast it. He chose placement instead and delivered a peach.
Llorente.
Marcos Llorente. Assalamualaikum, kok tahu bang? Kok tahu apa tuh? Tahu namamu? Tierney. Masya Allah, ya ampun.
The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
Aduh, ya ampun. Gimana ya? Astaga. Udah, aduh, ya Allah. Ya Rob. Main FF bang, aduh ini lagi bos FF pada spamnya. Komunitas anak-anak FF. Sabar bang.
Bergkamp with the smoothest one-on-one finish.
Ya komennya.
Well, he always had the measure of the keeper there.
Main
Such confidence and composure.
And there was his third, and boy, he looks.
Penonton 10 tuh main FF ya. Waduh, masa main FF mas. Astaga.
So the lead now is 2.
Astaga, offside. Lemes bang, lemes besti. Lemes besti. Aneh gak sih gue ngomong besti? Rada aneh ya. Lemes besti, belum disemangatin sama Ayang. Waduh.
Calm, composed, confident. What a super goal.
Well, he's a defender's nightmare. You try to send him one way, and he just slips the other.
4 in the game. He is the man. Arsenal grab a 3-goal lead. It's just too... Oh, shooting chance!
Astaga.
He has done it! over the hills and far away. No catching them now. Perfect placement. The one
Apa ini
place the
kutukan
keeper
apa
couldn't
ini?
reach. Now that's what I call finishing right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any
Angkara
time
aku,
weighing
angkara
things up.
aku,
That's a
angkara
cracking
aku.
goal.
Aduh. Kok
How
gue
many
ngakak
more
ya?
does he want?
Bener
It's
dah.
become a case of men against
Sumpah.
boys. No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The
elah.
only doubt is how many is coming.
Ih. Flashing Neymar.
And he'll shoot here.
Main FF besok WK.
And in time. And there goes the whistle. The scoreline doesn't tell the whole
6-2.
story. They
Buset,
were
6-2.
outclassed in every
6-2.
possible way. Your final thoughts, Jim? Arsenal lost their way.
Saya 6
after
shot loh,
falling
5 on
behind
target
early.
loh.
Their
Agak
concentration was
masuk-masuk.
weakened and
Angkara
their
Messi,
character.
Angkara
And
Messi,
that's
Angkara
cause for
Messi,
regress.
gol.
And with that, it's time for me to thank
Man
Jim Beglin
FF,
and
Parte
to wish you a
Cristiano.
very good evening.
Sehat bang, alhamdulillah sehat. Sehat, alhamdulillah sehat. Sehat mas ya mas. Sehat. Ya Allah. Ah. Mana FF bang, WK. Sumpah. Astaga, apakah F? Kok F? Hashtag 62. Hashtag 62. Cristiano Ronaldo. Saya nggak bisa pak main FF pak. Kagak bakat emang main FF. Kagak ada bakat main game Battle Royale emang. Aduh capek. Ayo. Mat. Makin hari makin gila aja gua main game. Ya ampun. Kita bantai ini orang. Aduh, dia ada Bukayo Saka kah itu? Kita lihat ya. Bang main FF. Waduh, anak-anak FF menyerang kah?
Hello everybody, and this is the moment to let you know that you'll be able to catch today's
Tomiyasu.
match broadcast live on our club's FM station.
Kita lihat lawannya. Allah. Filippo Inzaghi, Mohamed Salah, Kiai Salah, Raul, Pirlo, Patrick Vieira, Virgil van Dijk, Puyol, Carles Puyol, Campbell, Donnarumma, Ansu Fati. Mas. Bener. Main FF, waduh bocil FF menyerang lagi kah? Enggak pas, saya ngeri kalau main FF kagak ada yang nonton. Apa? Orang buka streaming, apa ini orang tolol nyoba-nyoba main FF. Apa ini? Apa sih namanya, jump shot ya? Jump shot. Apa itu? Jump shot. Terus ada apa namanya? Jongkok ya. Itu jongkok ya. Saya tahu tuh. Soalnya sepupu main FF, Pak. Teriak-teriak, ku jongkok ya. Apa jongkok ya, Pak? ID beban, ID apa tuh? ID FF tuh. Yang penting penonton dan komen banyak ya, guys ya. Ya guys ya. YGY. Besok saya harus ngejar God of War lagi. Gak, masa gue main FF sih? Aneh pak, sumpah. Main sih pernah. Main FF Fikri. Coba tembusin 130 malam ini. Coba tembusin 130 malam ini. Bisa nggak? Coba tembusin dulu 130. Bang, cara buka HP gimana sih? Weh, Anda pakai apa itu? Komen pakai ini po, telepati komennya.
You would anticipate. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
Inzaghi.
I think we can expect to see more than a few moments of individual brilliance with Neymar on the pitch.
Tomiyasu.
He's got such a silky touch. He can ghost past defenders.
Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah. Astagfirullahaladzim. Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah. Kok ngomongnya kayak gitu? Keceplosan, maaf pak. Bang, besok malam dia kalau gak main FF kita samperin ke rumah suruh main FF. Aduh, gila emang. Aduh,
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages.
Roberto Carlos, Filippo Inzaghi. Anda tidak tahu rumah saya dipasangin kawat Brimob ya. Bang, cara makan gimana? Coba cek tutorialnya di YouTube. Ada nggak cara makan? Tutorial cara makan. I love you so.
Danger averted for now.
Bang, cara bernafas gimana? Aduh, udah malam pak, udah nggak usah bikin orang makin ini deh, makin naik darah ya ini ya. Udahlah, udah malam lah inilah. Cukup di football saja saya kesalnya. Jangan di komen-komen, udah jangan. Duh, mata gue udah sempoyongan begini.
And now the breakaway. Neymar, that's been intercepted.
Sari roti, sari roti.
Now it's Mbappe. Smoothly does it.
Roti ini dulu, apa namanya, roti Mickey Mouse. Dulu ada tuh roti Mickey Mouse. Florian Wirtz, yes.
A real chance
Otavio
and a real let-off.
Arsenal certainly look a very capable counter-attacking team. They're direct, they're quick, and to be honest, they're full of belief that it'll pay off.
Triol.
Sumpah pak. Aduh.
It's Saka. It's a good ball and he could be in. Now it's Saka.
Sari roti. Bukayo Saka masuk dia. Allahu Akbar. Gimana pak? Nangis dia kalau kayak gini. Kan deh. Astaga.
Arsenal can start a counter here.
Ayo Florian Wirtz, come on.
And that interception was most necessary. Partey. Oh, good read. Oh, it's come loose.
Mings, ayo Mings. Come on.
They can counter here.
Ini orang niat banget mainnya, gila.
It's Inzaghi.
Udah malam juga padahal.
Long ball out to the right.
Thomas Partey.
That'll be a
corner. Gue tadi live FF kagak ada masuk di YouTube. Ya kan, live FF susah kan, makanya saya tidak live FF.
Shooting chance.
Yes,
And yes, it's there.
Tomiyasu. Ini dia. Mas Jepang ya, joget dulu ya kan. Asik. Asik. 1-1 gol hoki dari Tomiyasu. Roti bikin agak bahaya tuh.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides and with such great individual
Apa itu Mbappe kok defense-nya kayak gitu, bisa banget. Pirlo, bagus Tomiyasu, tapi gagal dikuasai bola. Raul, Bang, cara hidup gimana? Oh, gampang.
And here's Raul.
Tinggal gitu.
Filippo
Tinggal hidup aja,
Inzaghi.
lu mau hidup.
Now can he beat his? There's the shot.
Apa sih itu gocek-gocek kayak
Oh,
gitu?
he's managed to get it all
Besok
wrong.
gua janji
It's easy
live
to
di
say it,
YouTube,
but
men.
difficult to stop it
Enggak,
when
enggak,
runs
enggak,
in
enggak,
behind are
enggak.
being made like
Main
that.
God of War besok, iya. Anda mau ngejebak-ngejebak gila, ah?
Roberto Carlos.
Tidak bisa Anda menjebak-jebak kayak gitu, ah?
Now it's
Tidak bisa.
Wirtz.
Gila, jebakan gitu, menipu-nipu.
Pirlo.
Enggak, saya tidak nyebut FF loh. Saya tidak nyebut FF.
Passing is
Ah,
crisp and sharp.
untung aja offside.
I think that's offside.
Bang, cara
Yes,
komen
it is.
gimana ya cara komen ya? Saya juga tidak tahu gimana tuh caranya. Saya tidak nyebut main FF ya, God of War ya saya nyebutnya ya.
Now it's Inzaghi.
Anda mau tipu-tipu, mau
Mohamed Salah.
Bang,
Oh,
cara
and they
makan
really
gimana udah
should have
dong.
been made to pay.
That's just front foot
Cara makan
enforcement.
kayak
Pressure leads to mistake,
mana hidupmu?
leads to chance.
Punya masalah apa? Cerita-cerita sini. Aduh, kenapa habis di ini ya? Habis ditolak ya? Kasihan ditolak.
Filippo Inzaghi.
Kasihan, patah hati.
Van Dijk. Poor pass that. Sloppy.
Kasihan, terus berduka cita ya.
And we hit half time.
So very watchable.
At both ends.
Udah lu baca
and the
tadi
team's
sebelum
level.
nyebut God of War?
What have we learned from the first
Ya,
45
enggak.
minutes?
Ini kan saya tidak menyebutkan. Saya cuma membaca. Membaca bukan janji dong. Janji kan disebutkan.
Arsenal head into the dressing room after a half
Janji
in
itu
which we've seen
disebutkan,
2
Pak,
goals,
diucapkan.
1 each, and the game right on edge.
Yes.
We're already into the second
Yes.
period.
Yes.
Gets his
Come
pass
on.
away.
Roberto Carlos.
felt that, hasn't he?
Astaga.
Referee has just said
Empuk
play on.
banget itu Roberto Carlos.
Roberto Carlos, just like so many of his contemporaries, is proving very good at
Udah dari
driving
hati lagi,
forward.
udah Pak, udah capek Pak saya Pak, sumpah. Ini
And
lagi
that
ngelag-ngelag.
interception was most necessary. Now it's Inzaghi. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for.
Woi,
That's clear cut.
pelanggaran.
It's a free kick.
Cara buka YouTube dia, aduh, ya Allah. Hei, siapa itu? Gani, Bang, itu nama Abang apa, Bang? Nama game bolanya eFootball. eFootball 2022. Ya, gitu.
Partey.
Nah, itu masih make sense lah
And here's
pertanyaan-pertanyaan
Inzaghi.
kayak gitu ya.
Well, that is one way to stop. And the shot!
Yes!
Goal!
Well, it's
Flippo,
hardly a
Flippo,
great
Flippo, Flippo,
surprise to see him
Flippo,
doing something
Inzaghi.
thrilling. And it should send
2-1.
strength and courage to every one of his
2018
teammates from here.
2022. Ini 2022 apa
Yeah, the
eFootball
touch before
2022.
the finish is so often
Paling baru.
the critical part.
Makanya ada
And we've
online-nya.
just seen an example.
2018 mah kagak ada online ya.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Yeah, for me, this
Yes,
team
terima
seems to
kasih.
find
Kaki
it
siapa
easier to
itu?
attack.
Arsenal have a free kick. And no surprise, that's a
kuning.
booking.
Oh, 2021. 2022. 2022 Gani. Yang 2021 udah mau apa namanya? Udah mau habis musimnya.
And it's Inzaghi.
Nah, gitu dong. Kan main
He's
enak
beaten
loh
the
kayak
last
gitu.
man.
Ya, let's go. Florian Wirtz. Oh, 2023 terlalu dah. Capek gue. Sarjono. Bang rokok dulu bang biar santai ya. Siap, rokok sama kopi deh. Ngerokok tuh rasanya apa bang? Pahit kah? Atau manis kah? Atau ada rasa karamel-karamelnya gitu? Kan kalau di iklan kan ada karamel-karamelnya gitu kan. All new apa? All new apa sih? Apa? Yang itu Jarum Super. Kok Jarum Super? Camel. Nah, Camel. Come on. Puyol. Donnarumma langsung ke depan. Arahkan pada Filippo Inzaghi tadi maksudnya. Pak Mekano. Filippo Inzaghi, Mohamed Salah, Kiai Salah. Lalala, Patrick Vieira. Bukayo Saka, Vieira lagi. Dapat bola, ayo. Nice. Bagus Wirtz. Gila tipu-tipunya. Udah bagus itu kosong tengahnya padahal. Tomiyasu dapat. Yes. Waduh, buset ditampol Neymarnya. Bang, blue apa bang? Blue biru. Ada rasa manis, salah. Halo bang, halo TRI. Halo. Halo TRI. Halo Widodo. Selamat datang. Bang, cara tidur. Mau berapa lama nih tidurnya? Mau istirahat berapa lama? Alhamdulillah 121 subscriber. Terima kasih, itu subscriber baru 1 biji. Mantap. Always win, namanya aja always win loh, lihat loh. Udah ya bang, gue mau tidur ya. Terima kasih Gani atas pertanyaannya. Aku kok kesel sama Sarjono ya? Kenapa tuh? Kok kesel sama Sarjono? Kowe temennya apa? Temennya si Sarjono apa?
De Jong, Partey, Pirlo does really well to win the ball there.
Ansu Fati masih fresh dia, larinya kayak dikejar maling, kayak ngejar maling. Muka tua, Pirlo.
It is a good finish. The odds were against him. Little matter.
Well, he had to deal with an awful lot of unwanted attention, but his tenacity won the day.
Ayo, menang dong, 3 poin dong, ayo dong.
We have got ourselves a game here.
Listen, goals change games. That has changed the whole complexion of this one.
Ayo mundur, semua mundur, turun. Neymar, Dusan Tadic. Tung aja. Bang, udah ya bang, gue mau tidur. Iya, terima kasih Gani, selamat tidur. Selamat tidur Gani. Duh, nggak ada orang nih.
Well seen. Saw that coming.
Lihat.
Real chance.
Barcelona might just end up kicking themselves after that. If they're lucky enough to get another, it has to count.
Aduh, Virgil van Dijk bener-bener ya. Si bagong satu ini.
Barcelona really are showing all the necessary urgency, but it's potency they need.
Apa sih ini, badak semua defender dia loh.
Bruno Fernandes. Now who's going to be first to this?
Aduh, ya ampun. Ayo.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Untung aja kontrolnya nggak bagus. Salah. Kiai salah.
Now it's Inzaghi. Now it's Otavio. Partey.
Kuasai bola,
That's
nice.
Otavio.
Otavio, alamak.
Yeah, it's
Menit
safe to say
85.
that they just
Jangan
need to
kasih
manage
ruang,
this
jangan
to
kasih ruang.
secure the win now.
Defend. Parkir bis.
Final ball not quite right, and his teammates are irritated at that.
Yes.
Looking for the runner.
Alah.
Played out wide into space. Oh, it's
Dia
picked out the
attack.
runner. Oh, that's such a good run.
Defense turun, semua
More of that,
turun.
please.
Turun pemain semua turun.
Bruno Fernandes.
Yes, offside.
And
Sergiono
he's
buat
straight
caper.
offside. I think we're about to see a frenetic finish. No half measures from here.
Anda kenapa?
There will be 3 minutes added time.
Langsung long ball ke depan aja udah. Jangan ambil resiko
Great defending, strong and determined.
untuk bermain di
Bruno
pertahanan
Fernandes.
sendiri. Ansu Fati,
Interesting
Bruno
ball.
Fernandes,
Bruno
berbahaya.
Fernandes.
Bahaya.
Good
Oke.
defending, very good defending. Desperate defending required here.
Ayo 3 poin. 3 poin. Short corner kah? Iya.
Pirlo goes short.
Oh.
It's a great ball.
Udah dong.
Arsenal just
Buang.
have to run down the
Kok
clock.
nggak dibuang sama dia? No.
Excellent interception.
No. Oliver Kahn. Untung aja. Yes.
And that will be the final act. Arsenal did it the hard way. A testament to their great
Subscriber
powers of
1000
recovery.
cyber pakai
They have
gegangan.
defied the odds.
Segala
Filippo
bacotin
Inzaghi
orang lagi
picking up
udah
the
santai
man of
bro.
the match
Udah.
award.
Saya
And
aman
no
kok.
surprise there.
Gituin. Enggak
How
apa-apa,
do you
santai.
sum up what we've witnessed, Jim? Arsenal were very
Aman-aman
impressive
aja
here,
kok.
Peter,
Asal
but
ada
backbone of
ada
this
batasannya. Bercandanya ada batasannya, santai aja. Masih aman lah kalau bercanda kayak gitu. 11:30 Pak, saya udahan deh. Oke, terima kasih yang sudah nonton, yang sudah subscribe. Terima kasih banyak. Sudah 11:30, saatnya saya istirahat. Soalnya besok ada Liga Champion, Madrid sama City. Oke, terima kasih yang sudah nonton. Respect.